GM, everyone! What's going on? You need to be pumped when the market is dumping, guys, okay? Stuff this euphoric, like, I'm sick of it, all right? I'm starting this hot today, okay? I'm sick of everyone gloating and being all pumped up when the market's hot. Be pumped up when the market's dumping. That's opportunity. GM, everyone. Good evening if you're over the other side of the world. These boys are laughing at me, but they just, look, I don't know. We can get there take in a minute. But I hope everyone's doing well. Bearish times out there. Apologies to everyone who's holding their bags. Look, I took a bit of profit. I did short a few things. So GG's. It is what it is. You learn these lessons over a hard 7 years of crypto and succeed in the last 2 years. But yeah, little bit of a, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, hot start. Apologies for the delay, guys. We had some issues. We thought they were audio issues. Turns out Eli's just hot in his room and it's just a fan in the background. So it's all good. Yeah. We fixed the issues. But Craig, GM, mate, you got a lovely smile this morning. How you going?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Thank you very much, Greeny. GG. Hello, Eli as well. Hello, Greeny. Hello, viewers. Hello, everybody. Good to be here. Good to see Bitcoin pulling back to 112. Yeah, man, nice. Everything's dumping, so I hope everyone took profits at the local all-time high like I did. I did post about selling Bitcoin at all-time high again. So, yeah, I'm going to go buy some today with this discount I've been given. So, yeah, man, the swing trade continues for me. So we'll see how fat I can get my bag. But enough about me. Eli, how are you, man?
I'm doing all right, actually. I didn't sell anything. I mean, I've taken some profits here and there, but my bags are actually not even down. they're really not down much at all. I opened up my port. I'm like, wait, this is still. I was like, look at. I'm just in the right things, I guess.
Yeah.
And I was able to take some profit on some stuff like the Nubcat trade I took out.
Oh, like GG, it's nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I took out 50%. I do wish I took out a little bit more. But
what did you say the other day after bump more? You're like, oh, I wish I didn't sell. Hey, enough of that.
Well, yeah, sure. But I mean, I'm allowed to just say it.
I know.
But I took out some profit there. But also again, my abstract meme coins are not down bad. I'm like looking around. I'm like, I don't know what I'm down 10% maybe. I don't give a fuck. So it's been good. I had a lightning storm that blew out all my power for the last 8 hours. And I have a sore throat. So I'm doing great.
Yeah. great into you. It's the end to your day, isn't it? We're coming up to, so
yeah, it's 7 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
No, and then also I broke the record for XP.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's why we're all here, isn't it? It's XP day.
Dude, that is so loud. I need to turn that down. How the fuck do I turn that one down?
What'd you get? Let's
291,000. I actually look. I don't know if that's the actual
biggest
record.
There's probably someone. Yeah, that's.
I'm sure there's massive whales who don't post their shit on social media.
Yeah.
So props to them. But it was my personal record. I was hoping I'd break 300K. I didn't get there, but I did get closer. And we're on a really down couple of days, so I was pretty happy.
Yeah, that is a fucking monster score. And in fact, you're tracking well for Diamond, man.
I mean, no, not really. Because let's think about it. If I'm getting, I can't do math, but
3 weeks.
Well, 300K, right? So if you get 300K, 85 divided by 3 is what? 90 is 30. So what?
24 more weeks.
25 weeks.
I don't think we have
half
that
a
time.
year.
So unless it's in Q1 maybe.
Well, I've seen a few people have that take over the last 24 hours or so. I mean, it's just people are just speculating. So
imagine if they make a Q4 27, man.
27.
I wouldn't care. Shit. I don't really give a fuck. I'm having fun.
Some of us are tired, man.
No, you're not.
I'm very tired. I need
How'd you go, Craig? How'd you go with XP this week?
I hit all-time high for myself. Not unexpectedly, I got 71,000.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah, so
6 weeks next week, mate, I reckon.
Yeah, possibly. But no, that was more or less my goal. 58,000 was the week before. 71,000 was this week. I added about 15,000 meme coins, so I thought that probably made mathematical sense. Also got Giga, Chad, so that would have added to it. So I probably was expecting more. I'm being real, particularly in mid 70s to high, but 71, I'll take it. To be honest, that's not bad because that puts me at, I think, 300 something thousand. I think I've got, like, what do I actually have? How much longer do I platinum? That's my main thing, bro.
I can't look at it, so you'd have to.
Sorry, I'm talking shit. I've got 300,000 left to platinum.
300,000. So you should get. Hopefully, it'll be a month. Hopefully, it's a month.
Yeah, so I'll be done before Q4. So that's
you
goal.
need 300,000.
Yeah.
And you're getting like almost like you're getting like 70, 80K.
Yeah, 70
Okay.
this week. Yeah, so not long, bro. So I should be able to dump on head soon, man. So that's exciting. Looking forward to showing you Trader Craig come out. So for now, enjoy your selling, guys. Enjoy your selling and dumping on my head, motherfuckers. I'll be nuke. No, I'm joking. I will eloquently exit. But I mean, Finn did say the XP show does go on. So it's not like when I hit platinum, I'm all out. No way. I will just be more careful. A little bit more careful. That's all. I'm not too worried about it. We're even seeing a few of the meme coins starting to bounce in abstract now. Anyway, just like it's kind of funny how people sell.
Craig had sold off. So people sold off.
Did it? Yeah, about half, right? About half.
I've never seen someone get so excited to see a coin selling off than Greeny X. Yeah, once he escapes a coin, he's like, "Nah, that better go down. Please, God, go down."
To zero.
Yeah, fuck! I want that coin I will make it my life mission now to send that to
make it.
I still own 1.5 million tokens or something. Maybe less. I don't know. I haven't looked. Oh shit! My port's below 6 figs. Damn it.
Yes,
no, let me check mine.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
Nah, I won't say it out loud. No, mine's still good.
Yeah.
I'm happy with my bags.
That's good. I mean, I stabled up. I mean, I'll put mine on. Hold on.
I'm not like I guess to me, I'm just not. I don't really care. I'm not trying to time it.
I'm a trader. Yeah. Look, at the end of the day, I did get out of. I took some profits on a few things just because if we dump right now, like which we are, which I thought we were going to, hence why I'm short as well. But like, if we dump further, then these will naturally go down. Like the further down the risk curve you are, but they are holding up very well because there's low liquidity, right? And I've been saying this for a while. Like people aren't incentivized to sell yet because of XP. People aren't incentivized to sell because there's a lack of liquidity as well. So naturally, abstract memes are holding up very well. Bit of correction across the board. I mean, like if we do go have a look at all of them, yeah, in the past 24 hours, 25%, 18%, 17%, 15%.
Okay, let me say something. Okay, real quick. I don't understand how the metrics work for the percentages up and down for the 24 hours because I was like looking at the Cyclops chart last night and it said it was down 20% when it hadn't even moved. Like
well, today, it's this candle, right?
No. Before like last night, like when I was like before I went to bed, the chart had like not even dipped yet. It was still at like 2.4 or something like that. But for some reason, Dex Screener was saying it was down 20 something %, but it hadn't. But it had like just randomly updated. It was still near I think like 2.4. And so I was like, where did this come from? It didn't make any sense because 2 hours ago it said it was like up 2%. So
yeah.
I'm not sure how they gauge it. It's super.
Yeah, it's probably delayed. It probably is a bit of a UI delay, I'd say. But usually it's just accurate within that 24-hour period is what you should like here. Yeah, 24.23%. But I know for a fact we used to try and when like track my trades or like track the group's trades on meme coins. And we shout out to Coach who used to or tried to use the APIs of like either CoinGecko or CMC or Dex Screener and input them into an Excel spreadsheet. But the delay on that sort of stuff is horrible. It's like it's really glitchy and stuff like that. So it's probably a delay in UI / not really a fair representation of it. So that's why price is always good to go check on the actual charts at this point in time. So yeah, well look, I mean we'll start at the big dogs because at the end of the day that's where the liquidity trends from. We are, oh my God, we've lost $500 billion, guys. Holy dog. We're down $420 billion in the past week or so. Yeah.
We're still above all-time high from.
We're still above all-time high more recently, and the all-time high, more importantly, from last cycle as well. I still think a crypto is a $100 trillion industry. What do we think, boys? By 2030, do you think this gets to 100 trillion, or is that a bit of a bold take?
I don't. I mean, I don't even know. I do think we go higher. That's what I know. I don't really care about what it is
I
though.
like it. I like it. Yeah, well, I mean, like pullbacks are opportunities, guys. That's why I started the show. Like, you want to, like, red is an opportunity. Green is options to sell. Red is options to buy. And if you don't have liquidity, this is why you take profits. Okay. Otherwise, you're stuck stranded. Now, obviously, if you're convicted, you got a really good entry. By all means, hodl, hodl, hodl. That's fine. But this, as we near the end of the cycle, it's so much harder to hodl, hodl, hodl in a lot of these high risk things that will dump. These will dump to zero in the bear market. So that's the absolute key for me. But boys, it's historically September is the bearish month, and we haven't even got there yet. So 3.7% returns for negative for BTC. What's Ethereum September like? Ethereum September, negative 6.42% to the downside. August still up for ETH because ETH has just been on an absolute insane charge. But we could see a bit of a correction here into September as well.
Yeah, but it looks like a lot of the months. Well, it looks like a lot of the months that are red from August are green in September.
Yeah.
A good amount of those that are red August lead into green September.
And probably bull runs as well by the looks.
Okay.
It's not double red on bull run years.
Okay. Nah,
Green
yeah,
into
you're
red,
right.
green into red.
It's green into red, green into red, and 2013 green into red.
With that in mind, Greeny, September's fucking sending.
Okay, boys. Okay. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, if we flip.
Send it September, bro.
Yeah, baby. Phew. We're back. We've only got.
We can force the narrative. We can force the market to fit our narrative, dude. We can make it happen.
We can flip the narrative however we want it to be flipped.
I reckon fresh new all-time high Bitcoin September.
Boys, I just bought $5,000 of BTC before here at $112,000. Yeah, no brainer, bro.
I think we're
brainer.
No, it is a no-brainer now.
I'll tell you what though, my short is absolutely printing. Eli, did you capture the short? I know Eli joined us in GTG.
I don't leverage trades.
Bro, you were leveraging before you got on into the group.
I did like one or two trades.
The
time to leverage is in GTG.
Dude, I'm fine. I took a big enough bag on Nub to last me a while. I don't need to play. No. Well, that could be $20.
Yeah.
That could last me a good while, right? $100.
The rich get richer, chat.
The rich get richer, baby.
Yeah.
6 fig Eli, 6 fig Eli.
No.
Yeah.
I could have made $100. You don't know.
6'2" blue eyes. What's that song? That chicks.
Yeah.
But like,
I wanna.
Trust fund or whatever.
Yeah, trust fund.
I made enough like to where I don't need to feel greedy to try to play up and down.
Nah,
so
fair
I'm just going to let it play its way. I've got my bags packed and the things I believe. I mean, we'll look at it, but one of my biggest conviction bags on Abstract has not even budged. Like there's no chart that I've seen as good as that. And so it's just like, I'm happy for the people who are trading up and down, but I made my bag. I'm not going to get too greedy. I'm going to conviction hold the things I like.
Yeah, do what you do best, probably as well, man.
That's my style. Yeah,
stay in your lane until you're ready to move out. But did I see one of your portfolio? Have you got 700,000 of a particular coin, Eli?
What?
As in cash?
Yeah, was that the token amount or was that cash amount?
Nah, it wouldn't be cash.
I was like,
It's not cash.
Bro, I had 700K and I would take it out of my AGW. I would never have it sitting in my AGW. There's no point.
What? Yeah, I must have misread the post.
No, it was definitely tokens.
I was like 700K.
No, I would have moved it out my AGW.
Yeah, cool.
But
good news, guys. He doesn't have that much. Okay, cool.
Yeah, exactly.
Very worried. Very worried.
5 figures. Boys, before we continue on the show, just a massive shout out to the partner, OKX. Thanks so much for joining us in partnership with GC Crypto. If you guys want a clean exchange, which is super easy to onboard or offboard and trade, they also have an earn feature, which you can obviously yield over here as well, which has been super cool for me to check out more recently. You can sign up down below. If you have any questions, Craig and I are more than happy to help you out, but it's super easy to use worldwide, and it's one of the safest exchanges that you can trust in crypto. And we have our IRL event in about 2 weeks' time. So come and join us in Brizzy if you are keen. Send us a DM and we can give you that link to register. I think it's free to sign up. There'll be free drinks, maybe. I don't know. Is a bar tab? I can't remember.
Yeah, I think
there is. Yeah.
Drinks
free merch,
I think.
Free alpha from Greeny and Craig live. free merch, free drinks. What else could you want? What
Yeah.
else could you want? Come and join us.
Maybe a couple of free sliders. You never know. So
Yeah. Oh, dude, nothing. Good slide always hits well, mate. It does.
yeah,
hit
if you're
well.
bulking, come along, man. Come along.
Yeah. Euro summer pod. Yeah.
We'll feed you. We'll feed your pockets. Feed your tummy. Have a beer. Have a schooner. Whatever.
Yeah, exactly. So no, come and join us in Brizzy if you're keen to join us in collaboration with OKX. But yeah, massive shout out to them for partnering with us here at GC Crypto. All right, boys, where do we want to start the conversation today? What are we thinking? We got lots. I want to talk NFTs. I want to talk Pato. I want to talk abstract, obviously XP. I want to talk meme coins. I want to talk general macro, all those sorts of things. So pretty much cover a whole topic,
Yeah. Well, do we? I mean, outside of TA, like, is there any macro stuff that's going on that's sending us down?
Well, yeah, right. There's concern. I mean, like, I've posted about it. Easy's posted about it. Wizard of Soho's posted about it. Like, essentially, like, the market is pricing in that there won't be a cut in September. So naturally, what do? We sell off before that, right? Because then that sort of gets us to a state where, okay, well, if we get that announcement, then potentially we'll either stay there or we'll dump further. Or if it comes out that they're very bullish and they say, no, well, we are going to still continue on Friday with his announcement or not announcement, just his speech in Jackson Hole. If he comes out and says, look, no, we are, like, we're going to stay on the sort of the trend of cutting the rate in September, then yeah, markets probably rally from there too. So naturally, that's the biggest reason. Probably also uncertainty with war, with still, like, Trump meeting with Putin and Zelensky and all that. That's also another catalyst. I actually saw my mate who trades in TradFi or electricity and stuff. But he basically said as well, or he sent me an article this morning that Sailor Craig, I don't know if you saw this too, has changed. He's changed his, I'll try and find it actually. He's changed how often MicroStrategy can actually buy BTC, so that's pretty epic. So their evaluation of their their stock, if it was like it had to hit a certain rate, but now it doesn't have to hit a certain rate for them to. I
have a question. If
these are catalysts.
If we're front running a pricing, like, does that mean that we are close to the bottom then?
Well, potentially, yeah, we are closer to the bottom naturally. If he comes out and says, well, yep, September, we're still gonna, we'll rate cut at least one, right? Then yeah. We are close to the bottom. If he comes out and he says, not sure, or anything like that, we could actually go lower, in my opinion. What do we think?
Higher for longer.
Yeah. What do I think? I think I'm just looking at the chart now.
Here's the article. This is big news, boys. This is big news. So basically, yeah, MicroStrategy just flipped their Bitcoin playbook. So basically, I don't really know this shit, but like, it's all stock stuff. If you ask Pio, he'd probably know. But usually they have to reach a certain threshold before they can use their stock to buy more Bitcoin, right? It had to be like, what, between 2.5 or something? Or 4 MNAV, whatever that stock thing means. I think it's the evaluation between the different shareholder benefits and stuff. But basically, like, yeah, they've now changed this can
they buy it easier now?
Essentially that's it. They can now buy it easier, Craig. Like, that's ridiculous.
It is ridiculous, and this is going to be potentially the biggest implosion for Bitcoin. Black Swan event, we'll see.
Dude, surely
just never get it low. Never let it get low.
If Bitcoin price dumps enough, he's fucked.
Yeah, exactly. At what price is he fucked? Like, is it
about 60, 70K? It's not even that low, but
will they just borrow? Like, I think that's what the article says here. They'll just borrow more money against what they own already, or something like that. To keep.
What do they say? It's too big to fail.
It's definitely not.
Right. They say that right before it fails.
Yeah. Look, this just looks like a fucking Black Swan event waiting to happen, man.
It really does.
It looks like I'm gonna guess this is what they'll blame the bear market on. Partly will be this. Now, I think they're leading into it.
Mm-hmm. I'm just talking to ChatGPT about this. Hold on.
They're going to want someone to blame. They're going to want a company to blame, and he's going to take the blame.
Okay, no, hold on. Can they go under? They can, but the odds are low unless Bitcoin collapses. Here's why. Margin calls, liquidation risk. Some of their loans are collateralized with BTC. If BTC price nukes far enough, lenders could force them into either post more collateral or liquidate. Michael Saylor has structured it so liquidation levels are very low, well below 10K BTC for some tranches. What's tranches? I don't even know what that word means.
Tranches.
Yeah, about I don't know
Like
nothing
deals.
about it.
Debt maturities. The biggest debts don't mature until several years out. If BTC stays strong above 30 to 35K long term, they can refinance or pay back through equity offering. Cash flow. Their software business generates some cash, but not enough to cover the large debt service if BTC was deep in bear territory. They rely heavily on capital market confidence and BTC price appreciation. So basically, if it stays above 30 to 40K, they're pretty safe. Debt manageable, NAV huge. Market sees them as a leveraged BTC ETF. BTC crashes below 15K and stays there, they could face major stress, margin calls, dilution, or even insolvency. BTC moves 100K. Well, I feel like this is an outdated take.
Yeah, I mean,
but like,
it probably is.
Yeah. So
what model of ChatGPT did you use?
That's 5, bro.
Yeah, but the problem is the 5. Like, what model did you select?
I don't know, bro. How do I know?
Yeah, it's top left. Yeah, but people in my chat are saying he can't be margin called apparently.
Yeah. Yeah. Why? At what? Why?
I don't know. They didn't give a reason. But they said if it goes to 30K, might as well pack it up anyways.
Yeah, well, I mean, if it goes sub, I think like for me, if it breaks below 70, that's where I start to be a little bit cautious, you know? That's where I start to be a little bit cautious. But yeah, basically, I don't know, like we could go, like if you look at the 6-month chart, we can go all the way to 48K and I'm not actually that phased, to be honest.
Someone said MicroStrategy has multiple types of share offerings that all have different risk and can sell off all of them before they sell BTC.
Yeah, I figured it would be something like that. So here's the chart. Basically, we can create a high low all the way down to 49K and I'd be okay. Anywhere in this vicinity here, and I'd be an okay man. Like if we bottom there, in the worst case black swan scenario. That would be the level. So yeah, I mean, lots of potential here. But yeah, I agree. Like, is this like, as a Bitcoin holder, like, is that a worry?
Yes. Yes, it is. It is a worry because someone's basically they're selling shares of their company to get fiat to buy more Bitcoin. But it's kind of it is a Ponzi. It's a massive Ponzi. They're borrowing anyway. Yeah,
Craig sounds bearish.
Yeah, I just think at the moment the way the markets are, everything's at all-time high. No one can imagine anything's going to go down. No one can imagine property's going down. No one can imagine gold's going to go down.
Exactly.
No one can go down. Everything's at all-time high. For the last 20 years, it's only gone up. So any 40-year-old, basically like me, doesn't know what it's like to have things go down. Yeah. I haven't seen it for 20 years since I was really young. So in lots of minds of people like me, things don't go down, boomers as well, although they have been through some harder times. So certainly young people like you guys, you haven't seen much go down or much, you know. So it's going to be interesting when everything's at all-time high. Now, what happens to companies like MicroStrategy when everything's at all-time low at the same time? And it looks like it will be all at the same time because if everything's at all-time high at the same time, it's going to pull back. And when it all pulls back, where's your safety? Where's safe? There is none. I mean, it's more safe, but I won't be doom and gloom.
So you don't plan on holding any BTC now through the cycle?
I'll hold. I might hold a little bit, but I plan on holding a lot of cash into that there. Yeah, not
Eli, do you ever buy BTC in the future or not?
Sorry?
I don't know.
Eli ever buy it or not?
I don't know.
Oh, do you not own Bitcoin, Eli?
No, after my one whole Bitcoin got stuck in my ledger, like I've just kind of been salty and I haven't bought it.
A Bitcoin on a ledger.
Yeah, well, that was before I knew what crypto was. I bought like one whole Bitcoin for $5,000 basically.
Woo!
And I lost the seed phrase to it because I didn't know what seed phrases were. I like wrote something down and whatever. And I still I still have the Ledger app on my computer. I can still see it sitting there. But it is what it is. But so I don't have any Bitcoin now. But my plan is if I do, when I do walk away from the top, because I will time everything perfectly. Cool. Near the bottom, I'll try to grab some Bitcoin for sure, lock it away forever. But maybe I'll never get super cheap Bitcoin, so we'll see. But Yeah, it's I don't know. So when you look at this, it broke the trend line. So are we going to zero? What's going on? Because I know 112 is like the support basically.
Well, yeah, 112 is where we bounced from here previously, which is also the high here from May. So that's a big level, which we're currently going to retest, which is where I'm long from actually. So I might get stopped out on my long here at 112. But if you look at momentum, we are still very overextended. Like this is a weekly time frame. So anytime, I mean, like if you mark this, like here's just for.
Yeah, but can't we be like that double bump? Not this one, but like 2 back, right?
Well,
back one more.
Let's look. So I mean, like anytime you start to be overextended, this is what happens. Like you do see a bit of correctional wave. I mean, let's go back even further. That's a little bit of one on there, that one there as well, you could say, and then that one here as well. So.
Yeah, but like, isn't it different this time? You know?
Yeah, but like, look, okay, just for this is how like momentum of price works. Okay, look at what follows after the green. Yes, it can go up, and I mean, if you bought this, it goes up, right? Same as any of these. If you bought this, it went up from there. If you bought this, okay, it did go down, but it went up from there. But if you do look after the green, which insinuates the weekly stochastic being over 80 percentile, I think it is. Basically, you do correct. Okay, massive correction here, or at least sideways, right? We went sideways here for 49 days. This one over here, we crashed and we went sideways for 84 days. So, and the same was here. We didn't crash, but we corrected 18% for about 50 days. Same again here. We did a bit more of a quick dump, 22% over a 21-day period. So anytime the stochastic momentum really does change, where red goes over blue, that insinuates that we do correct. This is a big reason why I'm short, mainly. A lot of people, plus obviously sentiment, like obviously Nick did that engagement-based post, and another guy I saw on Instagram was like, yeah, I just bought 100 grand of BTC at 123K. I was like, okay, these are sort of top signals, right? In a very like traditional sense, right? Then I looked at the charts. I was like, okay, we're very overextended here.
I think it's interesting because I've only seen bear posting on my timeline.
Well, I mean, yeah, but were they bear posting before? When did they start bear posting? Like the last couple of days? Because it's
like,
short.
Yeah, like 3-4 days ago. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, I was talking about this last week, so it's like, naturally, if you can front run that, that's the secret, right? Like you don't want to.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's funny. I was watching like a clip of Trader Main talking, and he's like talking about how he used to just trade Bitcoin when it was worth $100. Like he would just trade hundreds and thousands of Bitcoin when it was worth like nothing. He's like, if I would have just like held and walked away for like 10 years, it's like I would have had like $900 million.
I don't know. Some of the shit he says is a bit of, I'm not 100% sure. He's a great guy, I do agree. He's a very smart trader. But he also said that he owned, he also has a viral clip of Peanut, and he said he owned like some ridiculous amount. And we did the math, and it was such a lie. It's like he would have had to own like $1 million at 40K or something to say what he's. Yeah, it's like it's a classic engagement bait strategy as a top trader influencer on.
Sure.
So no, but I do agree. Like there's grain, like there's alpha within that. I do agree. But I mean, he's right. Like I swing trade on as a percentage of the portfolio, right? But then I also, as I just said, I just bought 5 grand of BTC. I'm buying BTC daily right now because I think it's a good hedge long term.
Yeah.
And I do think that this could be 150K.
You said you're longing Bitcoin or you're shorting Bitcoin?
Well, I'm long from this dip here at 112, and I'm short from wherever this is about 116ish.
Oh, you have both running at the same time?
Yeah. So I might get stopped out on my long, and if I get stopped out, whatever, I took profits up into this move. So I mean, that's just leverage trading. Like, yeah, you got to stick to your plan, stop loss, break even, all those sorts of things.
Yeah.
But
what about ETH? What about ETH?
ETH? Well, I'm short as well. I'm short from, I don't know if it has my chart anymore. No, it doesn't. ETH is an interesting one. It's obviously played a lot of, like, it's been very strong, but this, as I've said, this is the massive level for ETH, right? Deviation, rejection. What a lot of people would hope to see now is something like this, right? Bang.
Just liquidity sweep in there.
Yeah, correct. Come down, take all of this. I think there's like longs. Actually, yeah, we're probably taking out a lot of the longs. I haven't looked at order books. Craig might have had a look. Have you looked at any on-chain stuff?
I haven't. I haven't the last couple of days. I I just
would
think
love-
send it all to zero, man. Send all these altcoins.
Yeah. I'm done. Yeah, Raph.
It's trash. It's Bitcoin or nothing, guys. What are we?
We're in a fucking bubble, boys.
It's time to tell the truth. It's all vaporware, guys. It's Bitcoin or nothing.
I
Nothing.
would love to see us just crush a shit ton of shorts right now. Like
Same.
tomorrow we just rip and it's just causes it's like
Well,
the
wanna
worst
see
the
pain.
worst bear trap ever.
Okay, but this is the secret. You take profit into the move and you move your stop loss to break even. A lot of people
but-
don't know how to trade like that.
Don't tell them this, Greeny. We need.
Yeah, but whales. Yeah, but I'm talking about no, but I'm not talking about the everyday trade. I'm talking about
whales.
I'm talking about like millions and multi-millions of dollars worth of shorts, like not
Yeah.
the everyday person, right? Like, that'd be
Billions.
sick
I
to
want to
crush
see
those.
a couple of $1 billion day.
Like like if we could crush James Wynn shorts, like that would be sick.
how does he keep trading?
I don't know if he does.
Yeah,
I
It's
don't know
like
if he
what he
still does.
loses like hundreds of millions and then comes back a couple of weeks later with more money. It's like, where are you loading up from, man? Like,
So
anyway.
if you don't have a trade going on right now, like would you take? I mean, you'd probably play both sides, or you just
No, I
you
wouldn't
just
do
wait and
anything.
see.
You don't short a dump. You don't.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, would you long off off this possibly?
Well, maybe, but I'm still, like I said, I'm waiting to see actually what comes out from macro. Like macro is important, right? Because news does drive price action. So until we know more news, we can't really, like you could take a hedge long on certain levels that you like. Like, I mean, like this in theory could be a bit of a sweep here of this high on the weekly. Or take out the liquidity between this zone here, which would be what 4,050 maybe, that we only sweep that, which would take out these highs here, which would take out I think the majority of the longs from about 4.1 and stop them out, and then we bump. But again, it's hard to know because price will reflect what happens in the news in a few days' time. So for me, it's like, and I know like good traders understand when to not trade and when to trade. Like now is probably not the time to really look for trades. You can obviously scalp some really good entries. Like for example, I want to bring up two charts, but Pengu, for example, I spoke about this.
I just looked at this chart now, Greeny. This is starting to, I like your thought process. This is starting to get me a bit excited, this chart.
Like if you understand like fibs, so for example, Craig and I have consistently traded off around the golden pocket. But basically, like I saw two scenarios for this. If BTC was going to hold on to that 115K level, then Pengu was going to hold on to this 382. That's not the case. BTC is going to 112. So naturally, more down the risk curve sells off. So what we're seeing here after a really expensive wave, after two expensive waves, we're now correcting again. Now, for me, I become interested in this because I do think that a pullback of 50% from the high, you got to remember the 0.5 is a 50% move from the high, or 40% in this case, but basically it's a 50 to 60% move all the way down to here. And then basically to get back to that high, it's about, it's nearly a 2x move. So in terms of the trade from there, that's the best R&R as long as you can find a really good stop loss on this particular trade. So the lower we pull back, the better it becomes for risk to reward. That's why I'm just so patient and I wait. And if I don't get an opportunity, Greg, if I don't get an opportunity down at the 786 or the 618, then sometimes I fade it because it just isn't a good risk to reward setup. So that's one that I'm looking at. The other one that I do want to talk about, because a lot of people, look, this isn't a FUD post. This isn't bearish. I believe in the team and everything, but knowing when to get out of a trade is so important. So this is Rekt. I got into Rekt down here and took I think it was a 3x move. I then was like, okay, there's a lot happening. I bought this dip in here. I was like, this could send a lot higher. I saw it get up to these levels. I then saw BTC and macro really change. It then broke this support line. And Craig, if you remember, this reminds me very much of MOG back whenever mid 2024. Yeah. And it then had this lower high here. So this lower high basically from here, which is a rejection from this support line. Like I know it's not very tight, but it's like it's around there, right? It's the same premise, right? Where you break support, come back, retest it. That is now resistance. That's a lower high. Macro looks weak. Okay, I'm going to actually take profits on this. So I sold this bag here after already taking a 3x profit from that trade down there. This is one of the most important trades that you will learn in crypto. Knowing when to get out of a position after it has gone on an insane run. This thing went from 20 million to 580 million in the space of like a couple months, 4 months. So like these are the sort of decisions that I pride myself on, because a lot of people aren't telling you to de-risk, to scale out, to take profit, to consider the downside risk. And Craig, I've been saying this for a long time. So many people go, oh, BTC is going to 1 million. ETH's going to 10K, Solana's going to $500. What about your downside targets? What about your like the downside risk? ETH could go to 3K again. BTC could go to 98K again. Like, why do people not speculate in that sense? So that's just a bit of insight into how I trade and how we have successfully done this in GTG. And it's not just me. I share, and Craig can vouch for this, and Eli's in GTG now over the past week too. But like, I tell everyone, like I've literally, and I posted about it today, but like it's about understanding when charts, macro, and stuff is starting to shift.
Yeah, no, I agree. When are we buying, Greeny? What's the low for Bitcoin? You reckon 108, 109?
I would love 106 personally.
106?
Yeah. If we pull out the fibs, the Fibonacci's.
Oof.
The Fibonacci.
Give me the 112 bounce, baby.
Give me the Fibonacci's. I mean, the 112, this is a massive level for BTC here.
Yeah.
This is a big level because it's also, not only is it the shallow fib, but it's a retest of obviously this low. It's also, if we do
old
swing,
high.
It's that, yeah. What's this swing here? And then, look, we could go low, but like basically, it's this liquidity. It's this liquidity. It's also the fib. We'll see.
Shit, good times, eh? Fuck.
But that's why I bought spot, because I'm like, well, see, that's the beauty of like trading as well. Like I can trade in different ways. So I can buy spot at really nice levels like this. I can also swing trade on leverage over here with the percentage of the portfolio, which hopefully this over time you make profit, and then you can add to spot over time. It's the secret, right? So that's how I like to trade, and that's how I've successfully traded for the past couple of years. Enough about me. You guys talk. Go.
I mean, I'm just taking profits in ETH and Solana. Like I don't really, I'm not worried about trying to stable up at this point. Especially not like the last 2 days. I'm okay with just taking profit into Ethereum and Solana. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Well, we'll see. I would love for this to be kind of a range for Bitcoin. Like it bounces here and then just ranges. Yeah. That's the best case scenario in my head. So that's why I'm also not freaking out about this pullback. To me, this is actually what I want. I'd like Bitcoin to stay around here, like bounce off 112, stay in here, and then we get like a nice run on alts. I was trying to look for the Ethereum inflows for today and yesterday, but I'm pretty sure they were ass. I just couldn't figure out the specific one that I need to look for, or like the totals for it. But I'm pretty sure it was really bad.
It's red
today. Yeah, like by a lot.
Yeah, 60, 50, 60K today, 43K yesterday, 13K yesterday. So that basically takes out, no, it doesn't. But we had look at the inflows. Look at the inflows.
Yeah. But we just need a good day again, and the inflows pick up. So I think it's fine. Honestly, I'm not super worried. It's not like a big macro event happened. It's not like FTX just collapsed. You can't store an abstract. No, you can't put curse words. But yeah, so I think whatever. I'm really not too stressed about it. If I was leverage trading, then I'd probably be more worried.
Well, I'm short, so I'm long with the stop loss or break even after taking profits. And
if you're hedging, you keep like.
So I'm in profit.
But if you're hedging, you're probably not able to be that greedy, right? Because you have to be okay with not winning on one of those sides a little bit, and then winning more on the other one.
Like I think my win rate's about 70%, 75% on leverage. Yeah. Well, I mean, across the markets, it's probably around that too. So
yeah, I mean, yeah. So that's the big boys.
It's the big boys. How's your Solana long going? I thought you were long.
Solana long?
Weren't you long, or did you buy spot?
Oh no, I bought spot, but I sold it like 195. I think.
Very nice.
That one I stabled, but that was a different bag. But like when I'm trading the meme coins and stuff like that, like I'm just letting that gather up in Solana. I don't really care.
Well,
go ahead.
ETH is dumping more than Solana today, and naturally that makes sense, right? Because ETH is
but Solana dumped way more yesterday. Like Solana like really went turbo nuke, right? Like that went from 198 to 177 or something like that.
What's on the weekly? Let's have a look. So weekly 11% ETH and 8% Sol, so not too bad. Are you bullish on Link? Eli?
No, but I know Easy has been pushing that with like every other CT influencer I've seen on my timeline, like Ansem and all them. So
it's good. It's really good engagement on Twitter.
I'm sure. No, I mean, look, I'm learning to stay in my lane. Like what I'm doing is working out for me, so I'm not trying to overcrowd my mind with trying to chase like the other things. But it seems cool. Seems cool.
Seems cool.
Seems
Yeah,
cool.
same model.
Hope it works out.
All right. Well, let's change shift. Let's go over to what do we call these bad boys? Open
NFTs.
NFTs.
Open seas. Let's check out the open seas.
Let's check out the open seas, guys. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. What do we think here? What if you were sideline? First question, boys. If you were sideline,
Mm-hmm.
what's your entry price for a moonbird, for a pudgy penguin, for a little pudgy?
Now, whatever it
Yeah,
is right
now.
now is when I'm buying it. Yeah, yeah, for sure.
front running,
ETH is,
front running the bottom.
well, I mean, ETH is cheaper, so it's like you're gonna wait for ETH to like the
Do you prefer
amount of.
USD or ETH when you look at it?
I use ETH, but like in my head, I'm pretty like I kind of have a good grasp on it.
Yeah.
But like
Yeah.
what moonbirds are down how much in ETH right now on the floor?
Like
And then-
0.8.
Yeah, and then how much is ETH down on the day, or
On the
like the
day.
week, right? Like
Yeah.
since it was at 4,300 or whatever. So it's like at this point, it's like yeah, I'll pull the trigger. Fuck it. Especially with the Kaido stuff coming out, you get a boost from there. Potentially that helps a lot with the airdrop. So yeah, I think Moonbird now. Mythics are also qualify for the Kaido stuff as well.
Yeah, they
the
do.
Kaido badge.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean,
It's only
I-
in
I-
fact, yeah, $3,000, right? So $3,000 from 16,000. That's quite a good percentage, right?
yeah, yeah.
Craig?
Yeah, I was just looking. Yeah, what a $3,000 discount on a Moonbird.
18%,
Probably not bad. Probably if you're a bit tighter on money, a Mythic at 1,500 US is probably not bad. Might have further down to go though for these, I think. But if I was looking, I'd go Big Bird. Moonbird's probably good. Pudgy Penguins are down from 65 to 51K, so that's a pretty big discount, man.
I was about to
it's still
say
a big
that,
buying
I don't think
price
that
for
makes
few-
a huge difference to anyone who's buying an NFT at that level.
No, not hugely. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'd be buying Mythics probably. I'd be buying Mythics
I'd-
for 1,500 or a little bit lower. If you get there 1,300 around there, something, I'd be tempted to buy more, man.
I mean, I think
For
Mythics.
sure.
Ooh, look at me up there.
Am I in the social graph here somewhere?
I think you have to be.
Surely I would be.
If you're on the list, I think you are.
Where am I? There's Craig. There I am.
There you are.
Yeah, there's the connection.
You're
we're
on-
connected.
Yeah, we're connected.
Who's it?
I was looking
Is
at
that,
these. Those
who's
pretty.
that?
I don't know.
Is that Jack? No.
But yeah, I think I think the Mythics are a good buy. Shit.
14th. God.
You want a badge, I think. If you like making content and you're bullish on Moonbirds and their token drop,
Yap about it.
you want the badge, I think. So you can get you could get any of the collection, I'm pretty sure, right? It could be
Yeah.
oddities, mythics, or Moonbirds. So if you have the money, yeah, go for the Moonbird. I wouldn't wait though. Like to me it's what you're gonna wait for a 0.2 ETH
Yeah,
difference,
I
maybe
like
point.
I like that. I like that.
I wouldn't be trying to time. That's like trying to time the bottom on a chart. Are you going to try to time the bottom also because your time is of the essence with if you want to farm the kind of leaderboard and all that kind of stuff. So it's not really worth it to me. I would just pull the trigger.
Are you tagging the Moonbirds account when you talk?
No,
about
you
it?
don't have to. No.
Okay,
Kaido, you just have to use keywords.
So what's the keyword for Moonbirds?
I'm pretty sure it's like moonbirds, burbs, like
Burb.
burbish maybe. I'm sure like they
Burbish,
didn't
yeah.
say what it was, but I'm sure it's like
Dude.
it's just if you just look at what Spencer posts, whatever. If you just take some of those terminology, I'm sure it's in there.
Tyler's like 100% copy pasta, bro.
Yeah, but that whole thing is
Yeah,
like
no, I'm
bullshit.
kidding. Yeah, cool. Craig's on the list as well somewhere.
I think he's 50th, right?
Yeah, I'm just looking.
Didn't you say yesterday you were 50th?
There's some big names on this list. There you are, mate. 64th.
64th. Ooh,
Craig,
you
connect your
fell.
Moonbird, bro. Connect your Moonbird. You'll get a boost.
Yeah, I know. It's weird because on my Kato it says I'm 32.
Oh, this could be the 30.
It's a
now.
different time frame. Yeah.
Oh, this is the 3 month. I'm on the 3 month.
How far will I
30 day,
fall
yeah.
on this
How
one?
far will I go up on the 30 day?
I'm so mad they didn't. My interview didn't count towards it. That shit has
Oh,
like
yeah.
70K impressions.
Oh, let's go!
I
I'm
cannot
above you.
believe
Let's
it.
go!
I got flipped. I can't believe it.
Let's go.
All right, time to bull post tonight 20 times in a row.
Yeah. Yeah.
What would you rather buy, a moonbird or a bored ape?
Dude, great tweet. Great tweet.
Yeah, something real generic and angry, eh? Or a
Wait,
doodle.
wait, stop using my strategies. That's my strategy.
Bro, I opened up
Yeah.
Greeny's X account, and he has nonstop been farming. 9 out of his 10 posts are a question, bro.
Questions, eh?
It's which, what, who, why, where, when.
What's your
Bro,
favorite color?
it's like
I hate red. Does anyone else hate red here?
I was looking at it, I was like, dude, how
I've heard
far?
that the percentage of people who like red are
I was looking
racist.
at it, I was like, dude, how far we have fallen, my friend.
Wait,
I might start.
you guys are silly.
politics,
Look at these.
actually.
Look at these numbers, baby. We're up like 4x. We're up 4x.
I respect it. You just have to ask yourself, at what cost to selling your soul? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Bro, I've tweeted every day for the past 2.5 years. I don't care.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
No, this one was really good. Where is it? Hold on.
Oh man.
Where is it?
I was scrolling because I'm like, he's starting to ask a lot of questions.
How good are questions, bro? No,
Yeah,
but questions are
he's-
good,
I
bro.
just
You get
don't
good
do
at
that.
I do, I do them
meaning
too at
of life.
times, but they,
He's hit 30, like he's hit 30, and he's wondering about
This one was a good one.
It
This one was a good
happens.
one.
It happens.
You had 50k
You'll come
right now.
out
Would you
of
buy a Pudgy Penguin, 3 Moonbirds, or 50k of Hyperlink? Bro, that's a good one.
no, it's great.
Yeah, you're hitting all the hot spots.
All the hot
there
spots,
too,
people.
right?
Hey, but what I like is that people actually give you their opinion, and I use this to actually understand what people's consensus is.
I have seen. Let
He uses
me
this
say something.
style, guys,
I've
so be
seen
careful.
you, myself, and many people respond to AI bots who are doing a great job though. Like it is crazy, and it's I'm not even doing it on purpose.
Neither.
It's getting bad though. Like
It is.
they're getting good and believable, and then I'll check the counts. And I'm like, fuck, I fell for it.
I don't really
Yeah,
care,
right.
right? Because
Yeah,
at the end of the day, like I will reply, and because like if people, my thinking is like even if it's not a real account, I'll reply, and people will be like I'll learn from it, bro. This is the banger, bro. 350. Oh shit. That's
that's
a
a
that's a
monster.
big one for a while. I haven't hit those sort of numbers
Well,
for a while.
the last one that was big was it was Murad, right? Murad. I think that was the last like big
I
one.
can't, what was the
remember.
topic though? No, I had a
I-
meme coin one that went 300, I think, where I posted about
But no, I'm saying the Murad one was like million, right, or something like that, or no?
me. No, I've never had 1 million on a tweet. Nah, I've only
you
this is
sure?
my largest is the Frank one with 500k or something.
Dude, that was so funny.
But yeah, no, it's but the good part about this is the comments as well. So you get 350, but then you get like 9k, no specific 6k, which option 8k. Thanks, Blake.
I don't think that
it does count. It does count.
I don't think it does. I think it's your overall views
Engagement
on your
rate.
post.
I think it's
No.
a combination of a few different things. I don't know.
Interesting.
How-
'Cause
how
I was
Are you
told
able to
reply.
disclose- Sorry.
Huh?
You
No, you go ahead. No, you go.
oh, okay. Yeah. Do you, how much do you earn a fortnight from Twitter?
Is that a Fortnite's like every 2 weeks?
Yeah. Oh shit. Australian terminology.
I was thinking of a video game.
And how many impressions do you get?
I don't. The impressions. Well, because it slides. I think mine right now is like 9 mil, like 9.5 mil.
In a 2-week period?
Oh no, in 3 months.
No,
No, because it doesn't it. Oh, I thought it. Oh, okay. I thought it.
no, you get paid fortnightly.
Yeah. I don't know why I never thought about that. I kept it on 3 months this entire time. In 2 weeks, I have
What's your
2.5 mil.
Oh, so we're the same. And then what's your
Yeah.
engagement rate?
Engagement rate is 6.1.
Yeah, so you get a good engagement rate.
Yeah, engagement's good. Anything
Yeah.
over
Is it?
5
I
is pretty good.
don't know.
What? And how much do you earn?
Yeah. If
I think my last was like $600.
That's more than me. I
That's
think I earn
good.
like 430. Does it tell you?
Let me see. My engagements. Yeah, I guess I should look at these stats more. I don't really like think about them.
Just
Like
interesting.
profile visits over 12,000, engagements over 136,000. So I mean, like, it's interesting. I don't really. The profile visits are probably bad because I don't I was thinking about the other day, but I don't have anywhere to lead people to. I don't have a funnel, so it's like, okay, they check out my page and there's nothing there, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, all right. You guys want to talk about abstract stuff?
Yeah, go on. We've delayed it 51 minutes. We can talk about it now.
My chat's like not even talking at this point. There's like 40 people, but no one's talking.
Yeah. Tell us
Yeah,
tell us
go on.
something about
No,
that.
Let's just go through. Let's
feel
go
good,
through some
man.
of the stuff. Yesterday, or no, 2 nights ago, it was like 2 a.m. and Razuka was like, "Oh, I think ROMs like look good or whatever." And then I checked the floor, and I've never really seen this before. It's been a long time, but the offers were the same exact price basically as the floor. And I was like, "Wait, then I might as well just buy some of them." So I think we all bought a couple, right? I bought a few golds. I think I bought like 3 or 4 gold ROMs.
I pinged about it the other day.
Yeah, and so that was really good. I think the floors come down a little bit, but I'm buying above floor, so it doesn't really matter. But if I didn't really care about the gameplay as much and whatever, I'd probably just sweep the floor. But
What
yeah,
are
so
you?
I bought, like,
Why are
4
you buying
golds.
above floor, and what are you buying? Are you buying specific factions for?
So I'm buying summoner so my class is summoner.
Yeah.
So I'm buying summoner ROMs.
So
I like
get-
the health potions.
Oh, so you actually use potions? I don't use potions.
Well, no, I'm selling them. But health potions, I think, are the most valuable to most people, right? Because like when people play video games,
Yeah.
I feel like healing potion is just the most noob-friendly thing. It's the easiest thing to kind of use and depend on. And also, I would say if you're not a summoner class, Gigaverse just made a update, a feature, a new room where you can go into the room and you can actually change your faction. at a
Wait,
cost of-
really?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Why
Yep.
would you want to change?
Because different factions, like produced, like you're using the materials differently, right? So as
well,
a
yeah,
summoner,
But I
like
thought,
here, pull up your game real quick. Pull up
Yeah.
the game.
But I thought it's
Is the game fun? It's the best game on Abstract.
I thought your home faction was the same, as in like you would generate the same potion.
You might want to lower the volume.
Oh shit! Sorry,
I mean, I fuck with the music though.
I didn't even hear them. The music doesn't even come
I
through
know.
my headphones.
So go to the left. I'm gonna talk to them. I think they need to update the left. Go to the left. Left.
What?
Yep. So they added a summoning room.
The fuck?
Yeah. So the yellow is the summon or the faction room. So if
Well,
you
I'm
want to,
Foxglove.
yeah, I'm summoner, which is yellow. Also we have faction wars now. So, I think summoners are gonna.
Oh, you gotta get
So you have to burn.
silver
couple
ring.
things.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So you
Oh,
can buy them
this
on the
is
marketplace.
So number 1 is Crusader.
No, I think that's not. I don't think that's by
I think this
I don't
is
think
how
that's
many
by
people
rank,
are.
though.
Yeah, no, this is how many people are in that faction.
Yeah, but I'm saying I don't think it's ranked number 1 because it's. I don't know. Is it?
Yeah, it is. It's population.
So Crusader has 24%. What's
Yeah.
number 2? Summoner. Okay. So we got a ways to go.
Well, I'm fourth.
Yeah. But so I like summoner for me. Me and Eyes are both summoners. But yeah, so I think it's really cool. Again, the game is really, really good at balancing economy. So like now they have another reason for you to burn assets and stuff.
Yeah. I want to show you. I'm pretty sure like your home faction shard
Yeah.
doesn't it do health like for it, or is it all different?
Yeah, it should. Here, go to the workbench or the health bench.
I swear it was
I used to play Giga every day. Should have
Yeah,
stuck with
see,
it. You can still
Fox
play it
Club.
every day.
like Foxglove. Show me what's your health one. Is it?
No,
your
yeah.
home?
No, yeah, it's the home faction.
Yeah,
Correct.
that's
Yeah. But yeah. So I don't know. I think summoners are gonna do good. I have a feeling about it. Also, the
Insider information as CEO or
no, it's just me and Eyes are both
Yeah.
summoners, dude. You're gonna fade the two biggest people in
Who's
the
Eye?
universe. Eyes, AIZ.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh my
Yeah.
god, I've claimed like $10.
my ADD can't handle the game. You can always use Fireball. I
I
mean,
literally use Fireball every day.
yeah, it's I don't like pushing it because it's like I do enjoy the game. I think it's nice to enjoy the work they put in. But if you're busy or whatever, or you suck ass, you can always use Fireball and which is an AI agent website. Bless you. That's basically like vouched by Gigaverse. Tell Greeny to check. Okay. Okay, yeah. Check your DMs on X. Someone sent you a conversion chart for Gigaverse, like with the stuff about it. You suck ass, brother. Then yeah, use Fireball. I don't know. But yeah, so I bought some ROMs. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I didn't even. I should probably claim my medals. I didn't even think about it.
My rank 59. Wait, what?
I guess so. In the stub standings of week 32. Yeah. Oh, you popped off. I think.
Wait, what? It says
Maybe
on-
in that rank.
Oh, in that
within
yeah.
within yeah.
So they're
within the
dividing it
faction.
now. Oh,
That's
yeah.
what I'm saying. It's faction wars. Yeah.
I see.
So what factions can get the most stubs, all that kind of stuff. So I think it's pretty cool.
Okay, so yeah. So to change, I need to.
Go.
What you think I
Summoner.
should come over to Sumner, eh?
If you want to hang with the boy, but you need the rings. You don't have the rings, so you could always buy them on the marketplace. They're probably like $3 each, maybe $2 each.
And you're
or
buying. I've got 2 Sumner.
You have a bunch of summoners.
I have 2. Two runs. Not. Oh no, I have 1. Oh no. No, both are silver. Damn.
Oh, two, yeah. But yeah, so I mean, seeing this game makes me miss your Game Boy SP. Yeah, that's the vibe. So I like it a lot. But yeah, so I mean, I bought some ROMs. I think again, ROMs do really well. They actually offer utility for the game that you play. So you get those in the normal dungeon. You can get these in the normal dungeon. The rings you need to beat the dungeon to get.
Yeah, dude, I've been so close.
Yeah, you'll get there. You'll get there.
What?
But did you juiced, right?
Yeah,
like,
juiced,
when,
but, like,
when it first came out.
Yeah.
So you have the Pantheon gear on, right?
Oh, I don't actually know if I do have the Pantheon. Hold on.
All right, go to the gear bench.
Maybe that's why I haven't been doing as well.
Go check coin market cap for what? Why? You're
But
gonna
yeah,
tell me
bye
that we've
bye
gone to
chat. This is
zero?
easily the best game on.
Oh, we bounced off 112W.
W.
No, the other one.
Yeah.
One. Yeah. So you don't have. Oh, so you don't have the Pantheon.
Did I
gear.
sell it?
Did you sell it?
Pantheon body.
Okay, well that's the Pantheon body. Then put on the Pantheon body. Equip it.
It's dead.
Oh, you don't have an.
I need
It's
workbench.
dead?
I need workbench.
Wait. Oh, you haven't crafted it yet? Maybe.
Dark guard head.
No, go to Pantheon.
When-
Pantheon is the. Go to the helmet with the orange on top. No. Left. Down. There. That's
Why
the
don't
Pantheon
I,
head.
Oh yeah, I do. 1 over 1.
You don't. You need to craft it. You don't have enough.
I need 3 more workbench.
Yeah.
So I need to buy some more of these things. Oh no, can I craft this one? I can craft this one.
Yeah. You can craft whatever you can.
Okay,
Get
done.
some XP.
Does that mean I can do the? Where is it? Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Let's go.
Yeah, the Pantheon gear is really, really fucking good. Like,
So
really,
now I
really
change
good.
my head and sell this bad boy,
If you want to sell it, yeah.
or burn
Pantheon-
it. I've been
Pantheon
burning-
also
I've been burning
has-
shit. I've been burning shit.
Yeah, I mean, you could, yeah. Pantheon gear, you do not want to get rid of. It is the best gear you can get that's outside of, like, relics or, like, crazy gear.
So what's it do? 2 sword, 2 shield, 3 spell. No, this is better. Max
it's
health,
not.
max armor.
No, it's not better. Trust me. No.
Better. Okay.
Pantheon gear is the best. I'm telling you.
Do you wear anything else? No.
And then I have the Pantheon body, which you're going to need.
I
But you're gonna have
can't.
to
Oh, I
craft
can
that.
repair it now. Let's go. Wait, which one's rare? That's the rare one. Rare.
Oh, there you go. And then equip
And
it.
now, is that equipped? Yeah, it is equipped. Oh,
No,
no.
now equip that.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Oh,
No,
boys,
nice.
now we're talking, Craig. Craig,
Uh,
do you play this game or not? Just sitting here just wondering.
No, I just do a bit of fishing and collect a few stubs for XP, and that's about it.
Fair
on-
enough,
on
mate.
that at the
Fair
moment.
enough.
Yeah, I'm looking at chat. They're all clowning you.
Clowning me, shut the fuck up, boys. I just shorted the market when no one else is shorting. So
Oh my god, dude. this guy's the oracle of abstract. He's the god, the whisperer.
I wish I could
Yeah,
short
the
abstract
Matrix
meme
say
coins
that-
'cause I would've.
I
That black lady from the Matrix, they bake cookies.
exactly.
That Neo had to visit. That's Greeny, eh?
So what should I be leveling up here, chat? Then, if you're all geniuses, I've got armor at 11, sword at 19,
Just-
sword defense at 5,
Just do your attack from now on. Only
Okay.
do your sword.
and then
attack.
in the
That's-
dungeon underhull, so I've gone armor
Oh,
5.
nice.
sword
Yeah,
10.
perfect. Just do armor because sword is maxed out at 10 on under. So just
Oh,
do
is it?
armor, then Yeah. So just do
Oh.
armor and then HP. I'll be honest, I don't fish anymore.
No, I don't fish. Either do
I don't fish anymore, especially during the competitions because I just know I'm not gonna win. I just need
Are
enough
they comp?
fingoos.
Even
Huh?
know that was comps.
It
I didn't
just
even know
ended.
that was comps.
Yeah, it just ended. But I just need enough fingoos to craft like an armor. I'm assuming like I actually don't have insider information, but I assume they're gonna do what Pingu did, right? Where it's then, okay, you caught enough Pingu things, and then you can make like Pingu armor out of it. I assume they're gonna do that the Fingu one. So I got like 13. I'm like, okay, I'm done. I'd rather spend my energy and do the underhaul,
Yeah,
and
I
then
do
try to
underhaul every
do
day.
and then try to do the D5000. So for me, that's what I've been doing. But yeah, so I got the ROMs. I think it's the economy is right. They know how to balance it. It's gonna do fine. NFTs on Abstract hold up really well. At least ROMs do. ROMs like if you wanna if you if you wanna park your ETH in something and get use out of it, I feel like that's the perfect thing. Like legit. So I did that. Did I buy any NFTs? No, I still hold all my boomies. Boomies are up to 0.02 ETH. When I called them, they were $2. So that like when ETH was up a couple days ago, that was like $2 to $100. Doesn't sound like a lot unless you minted a shit ton of them. It's a 50x.
It's still pretty good. It's pretty bloody good. What are those pingus? What do those pingu things get when you fish, Eli?
What do you mean? Like the fingoos, like the fin penguins? So right
Yeah.
now it's just a
What do you-
competition, but I assume again, like this is not insider information because I don't know. But I assume it's gonna be like what happened with the pengu ones, to where okay, well if you have enough of them, you can craft it into an armor of fin, right? So like then you could walk around with a fin outfit,
Okay.
right? I assume because that's what we did with
Gotcha.
the pengu one, the green pingu one. So. I just try to catch enough to where I feel like okay, I'm good, and then yeah, what are they now?
Some one-of-one
USD.
sales, or not even one-on-one.
Yeah,
Some rare sales.
I know Google is has been working with Boomi lately, so I think we also saw a little bit of a pump there. Again, insider, yeah. I like the cheap mints, dude. On Abstract, people don't have a shit ton of money. Like the majority of people are not rich. I'm just on across anywhere. Majority of people are not rich. They don't have a shit ton of money. So if there's an NFT that a lot of people can gravitate towards, they like the art and they can financially get one. I think those are awesome. That's why Drumilio did well, right? It was a cheap mint. It allowed everyone to get in basically, and so that it proliferated really well. People could just rock them whenever. Someone said you missed Boomi, dude. They're like $70. It's not. I mean, I'm not gonna laugh, but like it's cheaper than a lot of other options out there. Now is it gonna succeed over the long term? I don't fucking know, dude. Who knows? But yeah. So I hold my boomies. I think that helped with some XP as well. I don't really have anything else. I have bearish NFTs. I have some berry NFTs. Bearish ran up a little bit. I have my Fano Bosses I forgot about. Oh, the big thing. Bitcoin miners, now that they're NFTs, and I have 4 Blackwells, we get XP for holding those. And Blackwells are the rarest, most expensive thing in the economy. So shout out Cyclops. And so, yeah, I think that will help me a lot with my XP. Thoughts on rumors of tokens like Berry needing to change their IP? No, that's a fake rumor.
How many Blackwell miners are there?
Just type in Blackwell.
There it is, 1,000. So you can buy them for $6,000 right now.
Yeah, but people are arbitraging the fuck out of it because
How?
how much? Okay, how much Bitcoin does it cost? Let me see.
Well, you'd have to upgrade your room first if you're not, which is my issue.
Yeah, but what? Like, okay, what do you mean? You're just not doing it because you don't want to wait. But like that you upgrade and then you wait a day.
Oh, well, it's like, what's the price doing right now? Actually,
Price is great, dude.
7%.
Price is great, dude.
Price is right.
I did take some today off the top.
Good
enough
boy.
to where if it runs like crazy, I'm still like super happy. Again, I have 4 Blackwells. Like I should have bought more Bitcoin at the bottom. I didn't. I was like, fuck.
What
like,
would
I'm
have been
good.
better? You buying the Blackwells at the bottom or buying just a token at the bottom?
Well, no, you could do both. If I bought the token at the bottom, I would have enough because it's not by USD to make a miner, right? It's by Bitcoin. So if I could have put in $3,000 at the bottom, I could have got a shit ton of Blackwells, right? Because it was like 25 cents. So people are arbitraging. I'll tell you what the price is right now. So to mint a miner, a Blackwell right now, it's 6,000 big. And big is what right now? Like 143.
Holy sugar. 6,000 big.
Yeah, but bro, when Bitcoin was 30 cents, that wasn't that bad.
6,000 big is
Times 143.
2 ETH.
Yeah. So
You can buy it on secondary for 0.5 cheaper.
Right. Yeah. So that's what people are arbitraging it
Giving
right
you guys some alpha, guys.
Yeah. So I mean, dude, they were 0.89 the other day.
Wow, very wild.
Yeah. I tried. I got greedy. I tried putting bids instead of just buying off the floor.
Would you swing trade them or would you actually make them go to work?
Man, if merge mining really does happen the way that the team is trying to make it happen.
So talk to us about that for us novices out there who don't know what merge mining is. Talk to us about that.
So instead of a launch pad, it would be like consider it a mine pad. If a token wants to launch with Bitcoin, right? It can't be sniped, it can't be bundled, and it would just run off the same tokenomics, same style that Bitcoin did, to where it's okay. It starts off slow. You have to have you have your Bitcoin miners, and basically you can change your mining rig to switch to mint to that token. So it's also bullish for Bitcoin because then less people will be mining Bitcoin as well. And maybe then I'll start making more Bitcoin if I stay on Bitcoin, but maybe Poop Coin or whatever wants to use Bitcoin, I could swap my Blackwells and just start mining the fuck out of that coin. And so it's a really cool system. As well as, Board was talking about an example, but like, what if Luca was like, hey, I want to give $1 million worth of Pengu to Bitcoin miners, right? It's like, okay, well then I could just switch my thing to start mining Pengu. So I think it's a really cool.
So you can mine a different token. It doesn't have to be big.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Like that's that's bullish for every other token. Like that's bullish for Bitcoin because less people are going to be mining Bitcoin and then selling it off.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be really, really cool. I just really wish I would have. Whatever. I don't care. Fuck it. But I did sell a shit ton of Bitcoin in the last 2 days. Hopefully, I would love for it to dip, and then I just double dip, and then I can split it in half. This half stays in the coin I play with. The half goes to getting some Blackwells. But yeah, so I think it's really, really cool. The team is shipping like all the time, whether it's cosmetics or actual stuff. The dev work has been really, really cool. So, I've been really happy. And they said, oh, yeah, and the big that would have been mined goes to the LP. That is massive, actually. Yeah, that is massive. So, really, really, that's a cool solution, too, to LP, which is something we are really hoping for a change lately. So, yeah, been really cool. Been a really good trade. I'm happy that I did buy at the bottom. Like, I did buy at the bottom, but I fucked up. And I bought a shit ton on the day of the CTO announcement, and I got caught on the top of the wick. You see at the bottom, like that top of the wick where it's like $4.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got caught like somewhere around there instead of the bottom where I tried swapping through. And so I bought twice less than I was supposed to. But whatever. Still up massive. Took profit. Super happy. But Bitcoin's been cooking. You look across the charts, and that shit's still up really, really well.
Are you interested in this at all, Craig, or not? Yeah.
In Bitcoin? Nah, not really. I would have if I was going to get a win on that, I would have had to be buying the bottom.
It's tough to get in now.
Yeah, it could still bounce from here and go up pretty nicely. Maybe what.
I will say the money that's been flowing into Bitcoin, you saw some of the buys, like 100K buys. I think we had another 100K buyer the other day, or yesterday too, or today, like slowly over a couple of them. But yeah, I'm excited now because the whole reason why Bitcoin fell off is because Big Toshi ghosted and he didn't provide what he was promising. Now there's a full team that's actually providing it. So I actually think this is probably like the range. Yeah. I probably shouldn't have sold, but whatever, fuck it.
Profit is profit.
But I'm excited, and I left a shit ton. Also, I have my own cosmetic in the game, so I'm bullish. I think it's dope, but I can't say that the same thing for a lot of the other coins this week for sure.
Well, let's have a look through them. Abs has dipped back below 30, battling with the 382. Keep an eye on this one.
I caught so much flack yesterday for my post.
I mean, I become interested sub 20. I'm not interested above 20 million personally.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm not really interested in it. I don't know. I just feel like my main consensus again, if you're looking to try and make more money, then the more risk you take on, the higher chance you can, right? So lower cap, naturally, like a 3x on a lower cap at 5 to 10 million is basically where Abster is, right? Compared to Abster going to 100 million. I just don't see that happening in the same time frame, is my thoughts, right?
I would yeah, I mean, I would still throw if it does come down, I would throw a shit ton of money. Like, what is that? That's 20 mil, like the 30 yellow line.
Yeah, the 0.5 is about 23 mil.
Below that, I would
17.8 is the 6.
Yeah, if it goes to there, I would ape like crazy.
Yeah,
because I mean, you can see when Dan Wales got in, right? Like that is where they got in and pushed the chart up. So if it got to that point, I'd feel really comfortable throwing in a shit ton of money.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, I think Absurd probably does well no matter what. It's a little different. I've seen people throw the comparison around that saying like, oh well, you know, Toshi on base got flipped, but Coinbase was never pushing Toshi, right? Base was never pushing Toshi. Abstract pushes Abster a lot, like a lot. So I don't think they want it to fail. I think normally anyways, it's going to probably do well over the long term. I'm just kind of hesitant on, like, I have a bag. I did take a little bit out near the top. Just whatever. I just felt like, okay, this is pumping a lot. I took a little bit out when I saw Dan Wales nuking. Yeah, it's okay. It's again, my issue with Abster is that I don't know anyone who loves Abster. I know people who believe in it running because it's the beta trade to abstract success, but I don't know anyone who actually likes the IP for the IP itself. So that's kind of where to me, it's not super interesting. Whereas there's like actual IP and character I really, really connect to. You know?
Yeah. If we deem this a meme coin, it's a forced meme. It's a forced meme. It's as simple as that. I'm not trying to be bearish, but it's a forced meme, right? It's like that's just the nature of what it is. It's a forced meme because it's the mascot like of said chain. But yeah, I don't know. I personally I prefer the other ones. S&P, bit of a pump, but a bit of a sell-off straight after Craig, as I said.
I'm fine with that. It reclaimed whatever fucking number line that is.
Yeah, boys. See, use Fib. Here, let me make it easier for people.
No, my computer's so far away, dude. Like I don't think
14.
you can see
14
me.
better. Can you read that?
No.
Or does it need to be bigger?
No, it's okay, dude. It's okay.
20. There you go.
Okay, there you go. Perfect.
So yeah, it bounced exactly. This is why TA works. But yeah, it bounced exactly up to 0.5. It was losing the 382 yesterday. Nice bounce here. Watching highs here. Again, it probably does depend on what macro and stuff does as well. But
yeah.
Again, like a lot of people on Abstract sell off into pumps across all these meme coins. It's so funny to watch that. But anytime something breaks out, whether it's Goon or whether it's Cyclops, whether it's SMP, there's a lot of sell pressure.
We just don't have enough liquidity. Like that. Like if we had, you know, let's say 500K liquidity on that, I don't think it would really have been that massive.
Yeah, exactly. So nice to see this. I mean, it's steady volume the whole time. Good meme. They're still pumping.
I bought some more. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I actually literally at the bottom.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I mean, I drew fibs as well, and I was like, okay, 0.5, fuck it. Like this is the same spot before it had a massive pump. Before it got verified, I think, or before before it got verified, right? So I was like, yeah, I mean, I'll throw some money. It wasn't like a massive bag, but I was like, fuck it. Again, I just want a coin to do well that's not an IP. You know, WTC clearly wasn't that one. I think S&P is at least more fun. Like people can make edits out of it. People like it just feels a better vibe. So I threw some money back into it. I was like, you know, if this runs, it runs. If it doesn't, I think eventually it will pop back up. So.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah, I think it probably just consolidates here for a while. Here that it's broken up again, I reckon it's going to bounce around the 382 and the 236. That was my pick. That's why when it broke down to the 0.5, I wasn't real stoked about it because I didn't want it to bounce around the 0.5 again. But where it sits now, the 382 and the 236, if it bounces around there, I think it sends again. But we might have to wait a little while. But I should have bought the bottom of that probably. That's probably a good buy, Eli, I reckon. That 0.5
the risk in abstract is usually proven to be worth it. So every time I start thinking, should I buy this? I just buy it. Especially
the day before XP.
Yeah.
That's a good buy time, I think, when people are starting to freak out, or not freak out, sorry, sell, because I'm guessing the thought process is they've earned
People
the
think
XP
there's
for the
like
week.
people think they know that there's a cutoff time going into it.
Yeah,
I feel
Well,
like
which is
that's-
kind of
I don't know,
interesting,
boys. I
weird.
disagree with that take. I don't know.
What?
Like the whole people selling. Like why? Why would? Why?
No, I don't think. Well, no. Well, people are. I know for a fact people are, but I don't. But I don't think that that's
definitely
the
are.
case. Like I'm in group chats where people are like, "Yeah, I'm like I cooked on XP this week. I'll buy back when it gets lower." I'm like, I don't
I'm confused. Like
I
I
don't think that's how
don't.
it works.
It just seems dumb.
Well, in abstract,
I think they think everyone else is going to sell off, so they do it and it's kind of a self-professing prophecy. However you say that, it's like they think it's going to happen because everyone else is going to sell prior to XP drop, so they sell to protect their downside, and then other people see that happening and then follow suit, and then it happens
Like-
yeah.
every
I mean,
fucking time.
well, yeah. I just don't get it because again, someone in chat said slippage is too harsh to muck around. That's the same reason why I don't. That's why I don't try to like. I don't try to time like I don't. I mean, I'll buy the bottom out of mine, but I don't like really trading in and out of abstract coins like that.
You're swinging it's hard with the slippage.
Exactly. And also, all it takes is like one good tweet or like one banger day to where then we rip to all-time highs out of nowhere. Because again, liquidity low is not great, but it's also great on the upside, right? Like it can go either way. So yeah, S&P, I bought a little bit more of it. I think it's fine. The holders seem like a cult, and that's all I need, right?
How much supply do you own?
Yeah,
Because then
agreed.
that gives me security.
Like
around-
10%.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
that 10%
Yeah.
across
I'm
all
gonna
my
buy
wallets.
back in,
Yeah,
back, buy back in.
yeah, 10%
so
across
funny.
multiple wallets.
Multiple
Yeah. No, it's
wallets.
an inside joke. Never mind.
I bundled it.
Did you guys
No,
cover
bro, we
Red
haven't
Spur
looked at
while I was
that yet.
gone?
We haven't looked at that.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. If Retspa goes, like, can you open up the chart? I need to see it real quick. Yeah, I know.
It's the best shot.
Yeah,
My mouth is just full.
Fucking hell.
yeah, you look like a chimpanzee.
I look like a Grinch. I actually look.
Looks like the Diddy Kong, baby Kong.
And then this guy, NFT Zach, was like, "Yeah, he's almost out. Better he go buy 1,000x," which went and rugged. No, thanks, bro. I'm
Yeah, people were showing that coin to me too. I was like,
yeah,
I didn't. Look, well, it's also just like, you know, it's paid off. If I like it, I buy it. If I don't like it, I don't buy it. Like, and it's worked off great. If Retspa goes, I really don't think this is gonna happen at all. If Retspa goes to the second yellow line, like the lowest yellow line,
2.5 million.
I will sell so much of things on other chains, like almost everything, and full points Retspa. I will.
I hold a lot of this and I want more.
Yeah,
But not yet.
I don't either. I'm comfortable with my bags right now, but if it ever gets that low, I will throw so much money at this coin. It'll be crazy.
Yeah, I think it's a good buy. I think this is a good buy coming up soon. I think I'll reword that. I think it's a strong coin. I think it's if the
Dude, I hung out with him 2 nights ago. We went and saw the
did you?
UFC fight. Well, we tried going to the Hard Rock, which is like the casino near us, to watch.
Yeah.
Really, like the nicest Hard Rock there is. Like really fancy, really cool place. Not one single parking. Like a million, like bro, it was like tens and thousands of people there. It was impossible. So then we drove to like random sports bars, and they weren't playing the show it was hell. But we were talking, and like, you know, it's just, you can tell when someone is there, right? Like Nish. When I talk to Nish, it's clear that he understands how to run things. He understands what makes things tick. Also, you can, you know, just based on conversation. But again, like you have to go through enough failures to understand what a good leader is. And so when I was talking to him, it just made a lot of sense. I was like, okay, I'm really bullish on this coin. I told him, can you clip out your supply so I can buy? But yeah, I think Retspa is destined to win. I do.
Hey, we're giving it a little pump. Someone bought 0.13. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Whoa, massive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to buy more of this OTC guys.
Dude, Retspa people will not be OTCing. It's the same thing as God people. They are not going to be OTCing. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Fuck you guys. Now call me guys if you want to get out of Retspa. It looks like it's heading lower, guys.
Zero.
Give me a call. Let's put it in stronger hands.
And Retspa holders have been getting good at XP too, from what I've seen. So that's been a win-win for them as well.
Really? Well, there you hear it, guys. Retzberg gets extra XP, so please deploy
Yeah.
generously.
Oh, dude, this coin's so good. I love
Oh,
this
here we
coin.
go.
Yeah.
Pull back.
Well, there's like
That's
two
true.
whales that clipped out pretty heavy, but it's still like, I don't know. It still looks good to me.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm not really interested in buying it here. I've bought lower, so it's holding this little channel for now.
Wait, Eli, you don't hold any Redspa? I
Not really.
actually hold 10% of Redspa across multiple wallets.
Not in his AGW, mate. Not in his AGW.
Yeah,
10%.
across multiple
Man.
wallets. That's me.
Quite serious,
with
Oh,
me,
10%.
with me holding it.
Nah, you're good, actually. I'm glad
Only
you're
old
good.
Uh,
0.045. I want 1%, please.
It means pretty much we can't go below about
Right.
$1 million because Eli's holding $1 million floor. So, although the day you decide, just please message
Dude,
me.
I have people like
Please.
say, bro,
I will
like
short.
0.5%,
Yeah,
so we'll be
hopefully we
out
can-
there.
bro, I have people who DM me and like ping me, and they're like, "Hey, so how are you gonna exit?" And I'm like, "I'm gonna sell.
Yeah, I
Like, I'm
mean,
gonna
fuck.
sell." Like,
And
nah,
just
I
one
definitely
clip it,
want
man.
one
Don't
clip it
even
because
get back
I
on
think, like, I really do think, no, I will not sell the top, and I won't be selling all of my bag no matter what, anyways. Because these are the coins that I actually believe in a lot, regardless. Like Redspa, God, Cyclops, Gunnar. Like I really believe in them to be strong. And also, if XP does carry over, like Luca's saying, these are going to be points that you can redeem for stuff all the time. Like it's in like IRL stuff and like digital
So
stuff.
do you think it's yeah? Let's talk about that specifically too. But yeah, memes. We'll finish on memes first.
Okay. Yeah. Cyclops, I like a lot. I really like Thakani and Zav have locked down on their vision to make it the gaming IP. Like like it's going to be the
Are they
game.
partnering with people.
They're partnering with every game.
Yeah.
Well, like that's their goal, right? They're going to be integrating to me, now that they have a vision locked in on what they want to do and how they're going to proliferate, and also they've hired pixel artists, like their art has gotten significantly better on their posts. Yeah, it's hard for me to not bet on it. I think it's going to do really well long run. And the fact that it has held up this well on its run up, because to me, this is what it's higher highs, higher lows.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, it is. I mean, but like we could correct here a little bit.
Yeah, but also we could not.
Yeah, exactly. I agree. We could bounce.
Like
New- struggling, bro.
Oh
Struggling.
yeah, I know, dude. I'm just so confused. I made this in my dude. I made a whole post about this about Avster and Newt now that the Dan Will sold out, and like people were like, "Oh, dude, all you do is shit on Avster." I'm like, dude, I actually said I believe in both of them long term. I think, but I was surprised that Avster is recovering kind of well, and Newt cannot get a leg up at all. It is.
Nah.
It is so
when you
crazy.
think about it, it's just like it's hard to compete with the others. Is my query.
But I don't think it has to compete.
No,
Like
but it is like that's a consumer. Like
you can
gotta-
buy multiple coins. I hold multiple coins.
But again, yeah. See, you're not thinking about it in the right way, right? Like people don't have endless liquidity. You said that earlier, but also people don't like. People would rather like buy something that's so obvious in terms of IP, in terms of a meme, in terms of who's busy on the timeline, all those sorts of things. Like I don't know. I feel like it's struggling because the other ones have more sense of like those topics that I just said.
I honestly, I think it just has so much going against it at the moment. Because they have the new decks, right, for leverage trading, and they're using the fees on that to buy back the token. The problem is
How much volume do they have on that? It wouldn't be
right. Well, that's what I'm saying. It's not like a ton. Like their buybacks have been like fairly small.
leverage trade these, or is it BTC and stuff that you leverage trade on?
I think it's BTC
okay.
and stuff like that on abstract. And so but whatever. And I think the problem is Archer has been like too.
Good
What?
guy.
Check the private chat.
Fuck that,
Lol.
funny. They're good holders. I like that. I like the cell shaming. It reminds me
Fuck
of
them.
mine.
I fucked everyone up on the mob trade, so I don't care.
Yeah. Why good? Did you
They
use
sent
the
me-
whole
sent-
good
no,
one?
They
dude, on our
sent me
stream like 2
400
weeks
bucks.
ago.
It went up to like $800. I sold it $600. I was like, I don't like.
Did they send
Yeah.
you?
Bro, they sent it on the stream. He was like, "Oh, they sent me like and he just sold it."
And you
Let
got-
us hand,
yeah,
bro. I
right.
don't.
No, they made me laugh because they're like, no, the response where what was it? You put out some some tweet and they're like, "Oh, well, you sold for
This chart looks like
grocery money."
shit.
Yeah, but it's a time chart, so like I wouldn't fade it.
What?
Like I'm sure they're gonna find a way to pump money back into it, and it's gonna rip.
Well, I'm sure they will, but
I'd
not.
say
I,
so too.
if it breaks my support, I will sell. All right.
Fair, yeah.
So let me get this straight. I think
I
Greeny
think
how
it was
much?
like 400 or something like that.
And it pumped, and then he
Yeah,
full
bro.
clip. That's
Well,
so
see,
good.
okay.
Eh?
I won't. I'm not.
It's not
No,
wrong.
everyone's
It's
entitled
not
to do their
wrong.
own thing. It's
not
not like he
right
made a
either.
promise. He didn't.
Like, no one. It's not like
No,
that. And like
no, it's
people
not
go like,
wrong.
"Oh, Greeny probably got some inside." No, bro. They just sent me random tokens. Like, I will.
I just sent them a message saying they need to start sending me a token.
I
for
agree.
stronger
I agree.
hands.
Send it to me, bro. I'm the strongest hands there
Yeah,
are. But yeah, I mean, I don't think like people can be mad at you about it because it was sent to you without
Nah.
you even talking to them.
Bro, a gift's a gift,
Yeah.
and you can do what the fuck you want with it. I mean, I must admit, when I get some, there's some I haven't sold, but only out of fear getting my wallet
Well,
drained.
that's my
otherwise
query
I've
with the low
sold.
cap. I'm like, if it's $10, $50, I'm not sell. I'm not like, there's no point me trying to sell that. If you give me a couple hundred, I'll probably click sell.
Well, that's your rent
yeah,
price for the
exactly.
week.
Yeah, my rent's expensive.
It will be at the moment. And Greeny lives in a beautiful place in the world.
That's
right?
why you say
He's,
it's like, oh, lunch money. I was like, you know what? Damn right. That's just paid for my rent and groceries for the week. It's
Right,
still
that's-
stays in the
that's decent
ecosystem
lunch
sitting
money.
with people.
Bro, that's like $1,000 Australian dollars. That's someone's weekly wage you clip for free.
But also, this
fuck
car looks
that.
like shit, so I'm not gonna like if it was.
You probably should buy a Lazy Lion NFT
With the
though.
profits, yeah,
Just
to not make them too
Yeah,
upset.
yeah.
Look,
they're coming
Oh,
for
I
you,
see. Look at
Greeny,
this.
the
Wealth
Lions.
says, yeah, this is exactly what I thought they were doing. Google had people shilling in chats and stating Greeny is a holder. That was one of their sell pitches, lol. Exactly why I fucking sold it. Because I knew that's what they were doing before I even clicked sell. Nah, it's
How
disgusting.
dare
Don't
they.
use get my name out of your mouth.
I will
Yeah,
say,
yeah,
yeah. I
that's
mean,
good,
like,
eh?
there's a lot of Google holders in my chat that I fuck with, but I actually don't.
Yeah,
like
I fuck
that.
with people
like,
too.
But I'm saying, like, but I don't like that, right? It's like if
No, it's
you
terrible.
send me a coin and then you go around telling people
Yeah,
that
that is bullshit.
I rep it, that's not a great look. Someone said we never showed Greeny as a holder. I'm sure some people did. Like the thing is, it's not like I don't think it was like a big monolithic thing where it's like, oh, everybody tell. Like it's not like the founder was like, hey, we're gonna do this. It's some holders probably do, some don't.
There's that many
Whatever.
group chats out there, guys. You probably don't even realize the amount of group chats that are out there that are saying this sort of things.
Let's look at Pauly. I've been getting so many DMs about Pauly today.
It's going to zero.
People have been freaking out about it to me, and
Bro,
I'm
the
like, I don't-
chart, same again. Chart looks shit. Like, what else do you guys want? Like, okay, here is a lesson. It breaks its support line here. Then get out. It's changed structure from bullish to bearish. As simple as that. As simple as that.
Wow. You heard it here first. Greeny hates Pauly, and he's on a mission to make it the most hated coin in the world. I'm not. That's not how I feel. I'm a big Pauly fan.
Nah, I would I'd consider buying this again. Same again. Give me 4.5 milli. Give me 2.5 milli. I'll buy back.
Yeah. Yeah. I have no bias against a coin. I have bias against people who hold a coin, but yeah, coin is not my issue. So interesting. All right, let's pull up.
I'm
Let's
trying
pull
to
up
understand that comment on YouTube. It doesn't make sense.
Which one? Green Woodies.
Yeah. You're
Goat,
So my
man.
award-winning goat if it came second in coach.
Yeah, what?
That guy,
Didn't he talk about goats
That's-
yesterday too?
That's funny as fuck.
yeah, he was talking about his goats the other day.
That's pretty
That has to be something that I know. It has to be.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, and they actually join every day. It's someone
What's
on
he
your
say?
YouTube. I think.
Four naming. What?
Thank you for naming my goat. You have given him good luck for completion. He also seems much happier now. Hey, he's a goat. He's a goat racer, dude. You got to support it.
I
All right, let's check on my savior.
GTG.
No, you skipped him, but okay, that's fine too.
oh, this chart looks. No, but see, this is a
No, it
difference.
doesn't.
right?
This does not
Just
look
kidding.
like shit.
It hasn't broken its little support line.
Look.
That's what I'm saying. So it's holding up stronger.
No, you were, bro. Greeny was trying to get a clip or something. He was so fast to say it looked like shit.
Yeah, trash. Another trash comment.
Yeah, no, Gunner's a little different because Gunner actually has support levels. Like it's tested these areas before.
I mean, it could break. Like everything could break, right? Like BTC could dump. We are bouncing a little bit from 113, 112ish.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But yeah, no, I agree. A good opportunity to capture a meme coin that was at 12, nearly 12 million, not longer, not longer. That's a 58%. That is a 58% move. That's nuts.
Yeah, but it was so fast, dude. It's such a short time. Like it's like a week or two, right? Like a week. I don't know. I'm not like these moves don't really freak me out, but this one has been sick.
Bro, this looks.
This is the best chart.
I have a. This actually own more.
Look at Craig's face.
Dude, I own more of this than I own of like Bitcoin and stuff right now. It's crazy.
Yeah,
it's actually wild.
Yeah, no, this is this is literally like the best chart ever. It is so crazy to me.
I think this sends to 10 million, not like soon. I think this.
Yeah, I don't, Daddy, bro. Have you not seen Twitter? Pawns tweeted yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Last night at like 1 a.m. He's like, I really, really like the story of this coin. I'm buying. Like he literally tweeted about it and said that. He quote tweeted, Nubcat made an official collab. Nubcat's Twitter is down, but Nubcat made an official collab for God Dyslexic Dog. Yeah. And they changed their whole. You guys are probably asleep. Fuck. Actually, no, it was nighttime. But they changed their entire Twitter. And God changed his entire Twitter to be like a Nubcat impersonator Twitter. It was really, really funny. Yeah, it's been really cool. Also, the CoinGecko CEO said he bought some or was going to buy some as well.
These guys are getting good followers.
I know, dude. I know. It's really been awesome.
Do I need more of this?
Again, remember what I said day one when I was buying this. It doesn't.
I got a DM at 200K.
I know. I remember, but I said I wasn't buying this as like a trade. It felt like I was investing early into a brand, right? Like it's almost like a seed round into Pudgy Penguins or something like that. Like it felt like I was investing in a brand. So that's, and I think a lot of people feel the same way. You know, the only thing I really, really would love to see with God is getting the liquidity pull up. To me, that's the only thing where God is not like.
Yeah, you ideally you want 10% is usually like a good level to get to. It's at about 5%.
Yeah. So, you know, if there's any whales out there who want to kind of just add some liquidity, that'd be fire.
And we do not add liquidity with their shit ton of tokens that I've seen the whales hold.
But that's one-sided. That's if it's a team that's
true.
It's a one-sided LP. You need ETH.
You need ETH.
But you know, we are about to see projects come to Abstract, who I think there's some that were teased already by name. I can't remember the names, like Abstheria or whatever, that are going to help solve some of the liquidity issues. So again, dude, I think once God gets like a good boost of liquidity, we're gonna cook a lot.
I hold that a lot. I hold about the same amount as you.
I'm not looking like I made the chart all yellow. Like all the candles are all yellow for me.
That's fun, bro. I like that.
But like I do it because I'm not really taking the chart seriously. I really, this is one of those things where it does feel like that Traderman story where this is not something I want to feel like I'm timing the top of and the bottom of. If they're making products, if they're trying to be a real brand and do all this stuff, I don't feel like trying to do that. I'm just gonna answer this real quick. Someone said when Ansem will be next week.
Yeah, I actually forgot to ask you that.
Yeah, that'll be next week. I texted him today and he said he like IRL thing he got caught up in, so next week.
So he got arrested again.
Yeah, exactly. Would you add liquidity? Seems like you own a good ton of God as well. Yeah, I mean, I'm honestly waiting. I'm gonna add liquidity when the when the thing comes out.
Yeah,
because then maybe I'll get incentivized for adding that liquidity, right? Like I'll earn XP if because if I add liquidity right now, I don't think I get anything out of it as a reward. So if like a new platform comes out in a week, I'll like
people buying it on stream.
Nice, good. God is good. Back to my original question: do we leave Pengu coin alone for now and focus on the rest?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean Pengu's different.
XP,
like yeah, if you want XP, and also if you want like quick, like really, if you want, not even just for XP. I have higher upside on God, in my opinion, than Pengu. But that's just because Pengu has more. It's a harder coin to run up. What is this? A lettuce hands? That is good.
Yeah. Lettuce hands, crazy. Because I sent a meme to them saying greeny salad fingers.
Yeah. But so
shit, that's good.
if
Green
they
too, green
yeah,
hands.
if they add if a new platform comes out and they start giving XP for like adding liquidity, God will probably be the first thing to throw liquidity in, then Cyclops, then Gunnar. Gunnar I don't have to really worry about too much because Ethermonk literally threw in $100,000 worth. So, but if there's any if there's any God whales out there who are also rich in ETH, do your thing, baby. Do your thing.
Dude, pump my bags, baby. Pump my
thanks,
bags.
dude.
Do your thing.
With the echo on someone's, I don't know. I get played.
Is that me?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
No, it's got to be Craig. He doesn't have headphones in.
Yeah. It's so funny. I like hear myself like in the distance.
No,
Craig needs a green light so we can all look like we're in the same room together.
Hold on, I can make mine greener if you want.
I know.
Yeah, you need to make yours like a green or darker. Because yours is like teal right now.
Yeah, hold on. Here we go.
Next week, memes are going to go parabolic. I mean, that'd be fire. But I think that'd be great. I do think we're out of the period of the.
Is that better?
It's like
it's so
it's-
green.
It is bright green. I do think we're out of the period that we had in like May, June, where sentiment was like all-time low for abstract. Every coin basically went back down to zero. Like I think we get pullbacks for sure. I don't think we go back to that time. I think we've established ourselves enough. I think abstract has now evolved to showing love and support to like meme coins as well. So I do
Agreed.
think we're past that time. Yeah, it'd be sick if we get like if this was a massive fucking bear trap across the market and then abstract memes go fucking parabolic from here. Yeah, it'd be dope. That would literally like yeah. I'm not
I'm
do
red,
think
I'm red because we're bearish.
you're red, I'm green, and he's and Craig's white. He's neutral. Bro, look at that. That's
Good.
sick. That's perfect.
Done.
We've got the bear, the centrist, and the bull.
Centrist.
Centrist. I mean, that's what's in politics. I don't know what would be. Like,
Okay. That's enough about
maybe.
memes. What we were talking about, what the XP thing around being able to sell XP in the future.
Did you just take a picture, Craig?
I may have.
Bro, he wins.
I took a
bro.
screenshot because we had 2.2k followers.
Uh,
Oh,
yeah,
do we?
2.2.
I can't
I mean,
see
hold on, let me
that.
do it on this screen. It's a bit better.
Yeah,
Everyone
damn, I can't
smile.
see
Hold on.
them.
3, 2, 1. That's not a smile, Eli, you dog. Anyways. Yeah, so talk to us. What do we think about this whole XP shift now? Like around, how do you think it's going to work? Do you think you're going to get an airdrop? As in, you're going to get an airdrop of the amount of XP that you have? Or is it going to be you get an airdrop, but you have to sell your XP for the airdrop? Like, do you think it's going to be gamified?
You need to sell your XP.
Well, you convert X amount of your XP to get the airdrop, or you convert it to get the perks that you discussed earlier. Like, what do we think?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that would be super crazy to think about. Like 1 XP equals like 1 cent, or or whatever. That's interesting. I hadn't really thought about that. Yeah. I mean, I think that's cool. And you make a decision: do I keep this XP for afterwards, which I don't think anyone would do, or do I use this to convert into the airdrop?
I'll be holding all of my XP,
People are
guys.
just like Craig's just happy to be there. Craig's always neutral.
Yeah, man. I'm just happy to be alive, eh? I'm just so happy
Yeah.
to still be on this
Yeah,
planet.
but I think that's a cool
Grateful.
idea. I hadn't thought about
I like
that before.
it would make sense in the way then
Makes it
that
scarce.
if you hit a higher tier, it's still worth earning XP.
Right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Because
It's like
the-
And would it force sell
More
pressure
money.
eventually, no matter what? But then it's like it's,
Well, no, it's probably-
more in the hands of us as an individual rather than distribution. I don't know.
well, there probably is like an end. Well, no, there's probably like a window to where you can turn those points. I don't think it would be infinite. Like I don't think there's an open window forever. It'd probably be like, hey, you have until so and so and so and so to convert these to ABS, or it's a pre thing, right? Where it's like, hey, you can send this much XP to this thing, or click how much you want to give to before the token even comes live, and that kind of allocates it. So yeah, I think like that's an interesting concept.
Is it live on the markets yet? Are there pre-markets?
That maybe. I mean,
I don't think so. No.
maybe on some sketchy website, people are like doing it already, but not on like Whales Watch or something like that, or Whale Market.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think think that's a cool idea. Again, I was faced with that question because now that I've hit platinum and I have like what 2 million points or almost like 1 million something, in my head I'm like, okay, well, at what point do I stop trying to farm XP? But I would really love to hear more from Luca about what those ideas are, because he talked about it being like Amex points, but what does that really look like? Like what is that tangible? Because I don't really care about Amex points and like for my actual IRL credit card stuff. Like that stuff doesn't really matter that much to me. But I'm also not like a multimillionaire to where those points add up to me taking a private jet to Japan. So yeah, I think that's interesting. The XP stuff, I'm gonna keep trying to cook it. Like because I'm competitive. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think?
Craig, you go.
Well, I'm kind of different to you guys. I'm a little bit behind, so I've just got to keep going. I'll hit platinum, and then I will just take profit slowly as things appreciate. I will leave. I guess I will try and earn more XP though after I've hit platinum. It's not like I'll hit platinum and the second I hit that exact mark, I'll go, fuck, that's me, I'm out. But what I'll start to do is scale. Like if things pump, like say God goes to 50 million, I'll take 20% out, and stable that up.
Please send it to 50 million. Holy shit. That would be good.
Send what to 50 million?
God.
Oh yeah, that'd be crazy.
Yeah. So clip that.
That'd be crazy.
40 bags.
Yeah, yeah. So I'd like to be in the position basically where I've scaled out that my position's free, and then I'm just accruing XP.
Let me add to that.
That way.
There is a chance that well, okay, I don't want to speculate because I don't want people to buy based on speculation, right? So because that's like not good for our bags, in my opinion. If you're listening to this, please don't buy based on this speculation because it literally could not be true at all. But Luca obviously said, I bought those coins that week methodically, and then he said, I want to push for some of these meme coins to be listed on central exchanges. If God does do that, go to 50 mil, 100 mil, and it gets listed on central exchange, you don't have to really worry about liquidity at that point anymore, right? So that is the dream goal for some of these coins, to where like again, it has to be like a really original IP, and we're talking about for a coin to succeed, it doesn't have to be, right? Like Farcoin never got listed on central exchange and still did its thing, but like for God, for Retspo, which I do kind of consider an original IP, like enough for where the team considers it original IP. What are some of the other ones? It was God, Alpha, I don't remember.
Anybody?
Big, Cyclops. Yeah, exactly. And so if these coins go fucking parabolic, but they also get listed on central exchanges, we're not going to have to worry about scaling out like that, right? Like
you'll be able to one-click your 500K back.
Well, I don't know about that, but so I think that's a massive thing that a lot of people are not really thinking about, and they're selling right now because they're like, "Fuck, dude! Like, it's like how much bigger can it go?" And it's like, okay, well, the biggest coin on the platform right now is 28 mil market cap on the chain is 28 mil market cap. Meanwhile, like. I'm being delusional, but I think it's okay to be delusional in this point. But yeah, so 50 mil, that's bearish for me with God, but like get it on the central exchange and I don't give a fuck. Send it to like a bill, whatever.
Well, okay, so how much market cap / liquidity do we need to hit for a central exchange to become interesting?
I don't know. I was asking that and I could not get a clear answer.
I genuinely think it needs to be 100 mil, 50 to 100 mil, because otherwise
market cap.
Yeah, market cap. Not.
Are you sure? I've seen things way under that get listed on central exchanges.
Yeah, but the liquidity is horrendous. Like you can't, like if I open a spot or a
Yeah, but we can fix that. Like that'll if they incentivize that can get better. But like what market cap was Peanut?
Oh, I think it was a lot higher. It had already pumped. No, something like Troll was about 20 mil.
Okay.
And it was on MEXC, which is your usual one. Like it's tier.
Well, I don't like MEXC though. Like,
no, neither do I. I'm actually
those exchanges are actually like just insider trading.
Oh, it's horrific. Like, Guys, I'd highly recommend getting off those ones.
But whatever. Like just for an example, I don't think the market cap has to be fucking gigantic to get listed, but I do agree it needs some liquidity. And also,
20
Luca's connected, so like maybe it'll be like, hey, get my
Yeah,
shit on there.
interesting. I don't know. It's an interesting question. Like 25 mil, maybe 50 mil.
I do think it's interesting. And look, and now Luca has a shit ton of connections through that because of Pengu, right? Like he's gotten Pengu lists on like every central exchange. So, we'll see. But I do think like we have a ways to go. Like Alpha is at 1 mil. We never looked at the chart, but like Alpha's at 1 mil. Luca bought it. It's verified. Original IP. At 1 mil, it's not getting listed on central exchange. So we've got some room to grow before that kind of stuff happens.
Juicy times, juicy times. Yeah, I don't know.
So are you buying anything right now or no?
I bought God just before.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah, I bought
Yeah.
$1,500.
$1,500. Wow, that's impressive. What is that?
1640.
$1,500 is that's
Yeah, I bought it.
77,000.
But no, look, I'm well
700.
positioned. I stabled up. I actually bought some ETH again at 4K because we dumped to 4.1. So I swapped some stables back into ETH just before on Abstract. Solana memes, I'm not really interested in. They've done really not much at all. So
Should I check out Nub? I haven't looked at Nub in a minute.
down. Oh, it's dumped. It's dumped.
Has it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
down
it is.
like it's
Yeah.
down 40% from its high.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. Solana just really has fallen off on the meme coin side. So I still hold a bit of Worthless. I took 2x out of Worthless.
What do you mean falling off? Didn't they just have a crazy fucking coin go to like multi-hundred millions?
That just shows you how unplugged I am from the
Light. I mean, I am too.
Oh,
It's
Light.
literally.
Oh yeah, Light's the
Yeah,
one
yeah.
that's going crazy.
Yeah. I mean, it's just all these launchpad things. But
Yeah, exactly. I just can't be bothered to keep up with that shit. Like,
no. I look. I'd rather be a king of one, like and like cook here.
Oh shit! Did you hear that? Did you hear that word there, Craig? King.
What? Oh yeah, I'm the king, I'm the god, I'm the oracle. Some would say, yeah, that chart is fucking crazy.
I am in this from around these levels. I think. Only a small bag.
Why with a small bag would you buy there though? Like I don't understand.
Easy was bullish. I'm not fading him.
Okay.
Well,
Fair.
a 2x, right? Oh, well, no, a small bag. I don't know.
2x from there?
Small bag for me.
You need
is
300
is
mil
2
market
grand.
cap.
Like I bought 2.5 grand or something. Like that's a small bag for me. Sorry.
Yeah. I just to get a 2x from you need 300 mil market cap. So that's impressive if you
No,
can hit.
how's your math? 250, bro. Come on, 240.
What is it?
120.
Isn't it 125 mil? I can't see the screen so far away.
Yeah, I'm 125. So yeah, got to go to
250,
250.
I thought it was 150.
So yeah, it's a bit
Okay,
of
all right.
Yeah. Good luck.
Okay, so it needs to go. Okay, so it
What's
needs to go to 2.
Why is everyone frothing on that coin though? Light.
some
Like,
launchpad
what's the go?
bloody thing or
What's
something.
the-
That shit. Yeah.
Some flywheel.
They're putting
buyback
100%
shit.
of the fees back into the chart.
Some stupid shit that I'm
Yeah.
just
They're
buying
all
because
doing
Easy
that, though.
spoke about it, and I'm like, stuff it. I want to swing trade this.
Yeah. But I mean,
Um,
yeah. So sounds good.
No, I've been
Nub-
buying Link because Craig and I looked up Link utility, and it looks insane, bro. Like, I don't know. It's hard to. If it breaks this, can I find some news on this again? Chainlink news. Here we go. Come on. Where was it? Oh, dude, I can't. The AI thing is not working anymore for me. Anyways, they basically could be a better version of XRP in terms of buybacks, in terms of integration of actual stocks and stuff on chain. Like that's huge. So
I would
I
short
bought.
that chart right there. I would short that.
I would not short that.
Right at the resistance. I would short that shit.
And
Look at the
you'd be-
volume on. Look at the volume. That's weak volume. That's bad volume.
Volume. There's no volume on this chart, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly.
There you go. There's the volume.
Yeah. No, that's breaking.
Yeah.
down
No, I
for
mean,
sure.
sounds cool. Yeah. What's the alpha on Frick? I haven't looked at the Frick chart in a minute.
Oh yeah, someone shilled that to me in GTG.
Yeah, it was me.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said
Oh.
that.
Yeah, it looked good. I mean,
Frick.
I took some profit out at 2x or not 2x. It was like 40%.
What is
But-
it?
Frick, it's similar to Nubcat. Like it's a big account on Instagram and Twitter. Like It's not a beta play. Like it's a pretty big account. I think that might be bigger than Nubcat, to be honest. Yeah. So, I mean, well, yeah. So,
Holy shit, they have 72K on Twitter. What?
yeah, yeah. It wasn't like a beta shitcoin play I was throwing out. I was just saying like, okay, well, if Nub is kind of cooking back, I think
Okay.
people might be
Why?
fucking
Oh, no,
with
there it is.
Frick again. So,
Yeah. Interesting.
why are we talking about anything other than Bitcoin right now?
We spoke about it for ages.
Yeah, we gave it a good segment. But yeah, actually, Frick actually sold off because a whale clipped like a shit ton, like a really, really ancient whale that was holding from like the last bull run. And so,
Holy,
yeah.
nah, fuck off with this shit. $99 into 110K. That looks.
That was probably pump fun period. That was like a long time ago though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like all these coins launched on pump fun.
Jeez.
That guy put in a shit ton of money. Holy fuck.
But he didn't. How has he made money? Oh, 35K.
Yeah.
Not a lot of money on these.
No. Been holding for a long time. Mostly just talking about app stuff here. Did we talk about Kaido? I don't want to talk about Kaido, dude.
I mean, we spoke about it already a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying like no, he's saying ticker Kaido. Like I don't care.
I'm not interested in that at
No,
all.
I don't like their flywheel. I don't like the perks
I'm
they give
bearish
for
on
it.
them as a team. The one on base I would watch is Kita personally. This is a good one to keep an eye on. And then Mamo would be the other one that I
And
check.
Zeet.
Mamo, yeah, we're in this at 16 milli. What Zeet? Oh, wait,
No, there's no token yet. There's no token.
but isn't it coming on Abstract? I thought it was an Abstract.
Yeah. I'm just No, I was saying for InfoFi. We're talking about InfoFi.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Oh yeah.
When's it
So the
coming?
leaderboard was
When's
supposed to be Friday. They pushed it back, so I think it's gonna be later
Okay.
this week. They wanted to clean some stuff up.
Cool.
So, but that's just the leaderboard, not like the other stuff that they got planned. So,
Am I punished for my beautiful questions that I'm asking on Twitter right now?
like why, which, who, when, where.
Sorry that
What?
I'm good at asking questions,
No, you're great. You're great. You're such a great
and I'm
question
genuinely
asker.
interested. Like,
Yeah,
didn't read
for
the
sure.
comment.
Yeah, no, definitely. No, I don't think you'll be punished for it. I think you'll have your own card and you'll do well.
Interesting.
Not
Who-
you, Craig.
Who?
Just kidding.
What'd you say?
I said not you, Craig.
Do you think? Yeah, no. Let's talk about that. Do you think it's going to be is it a game sort of fantasy top thing?
It's gonna be everything.
Are you?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm actually keen. I'm actually thinking it could be
23.
something different.
Yeah, I think it'd be cool.
So
I think
it'll
they
be-
got the right people advising them, who have experience from, Kaido, from other like SocialFi stuff. They kind of know what worked, what didn't from Fantasy Top as well. I think that was the important part. They have people who have been like very, very prominent people on those other platforms, other games. So yeah, I think it'll be cool. Finn is an advisor. That's all that matters. I don't know, dude. I heard they got some cool advisors. We'll see.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. So seems cool. Seems interesting.
Mm.
Are they going to have a token?
That I have no clue. I have no clue. I assume I assume every crypto company, the end goal is to have a token, right? So like we could
Yeah,
Bro,
It's how you get out, right?
unless the revenue generation is so fucking nuts, right? Like unless you're pump fun, well, you didn't even need to drop a token.
Dude, this is wild, bro. I'm top 100 on this whole platform, and I'm not even a bloody fantasy hero. Like
Well,
that's
you need to be. Don't you need to be like what top?
no. Well,
50?
apparently it's tiered. I jumped on the show with Carpenter, and he said it's like tiered, and they invite certain people at certain tiers. I'm like, well, I've always just fallen right in between the different tiers.
I'm
That's
right next
crazy.
to you on there.
Like, and I've always been consistently.
Wait, can you see my profile? Are you able to search people's
Uh,
profiles? Right to the left.
there. Oh fuck! I think
You picked easy, bro.
My apologies. Oh, there we go. GTG's on there, baby. Come on, where's GTG at? It's not loading because you're shit.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever. I fuck Fantasy Top anyways. Just
like-
kidding. But yeah, so Zeet, I think that'll be interesting. The Amigo app, the Triamiga or whatever, I think that's probably getting pushed back. It looks like, maybe because of some App Store stuff. Like they want to get it polished and ready, because it's not going to be like a dev launch. Because you think about Friendtech wasn't actually an app.
No, it was separate. It was a browser. Wasn't it?
You had to go to the browser to download the app like through that. So it wasn't legit.
Craig's so dodgy when you're a safe man and you're doing all that friend tech stuff.
But I don't think that a lot of crypto things did that because of the legalities. Like it's not that it was sketchy necessarily. It was the only way they could do it because they couldn't do things through the App Store, right? But yeah, I'm praying that those things are a cook. That'd be really cool. When I can get Ansem on, hopefully it's before that so we can kind of chat about it.
When's
supposed to be this week, but texted him. He had some stuff come up, so probably next week if the stars align. Yeah, so that should be.
He's just started talking. Nah,
he's talked about it for. I mean, dude, he was on the 24-hour stream, 24/7 stream, or 24-hour marathon stream that Abstract did a while ago. Yeah, with Finn. Yeah. Oh, so he was on it for a little bit. Yeah. He seemed pretty bullish on it. So he's tweeted multiple times about it before. He's just not like he's not engaged in it. He's not doing a bunch of shit in it. He probably bought a couple. Yeah. He probably bought some things, kept it away, walked away. Which is, I think, if you did that, you probably outtraded majority of people on Abstract, anyways. So yeah. So that's hopefully next week we get that figured out.
Okay. What are you going to shill him
all the group chats have been asking me like, hey, like, what are you going to talk to Anthony? The last thing I want that stream to be is the top signal for Abstract, right? The last thing I want is where that's an Aiden Ross moment to where it's everybody loads their bags up for the stream. And then as soon as we talk about something, they all fucking clip it to
I'm clipping out, bro.
Yeah,
make sure he talks about like God, Ratspark, Guna.
I mean, like those things will probably come up naturally, and like people are gonna try to load up, people are gonna try to clip, and then watch. They're gonna try to clip. That is gonna be the bottom, and shit's gonna mega rip, and they're gonna kill themselves.
What time of day do you think you'll be streaming? Because it better not be in the middle of the night.
It might probably be around like 5 p.m. maybe. I don't know. Just literally whenever. I look. He is someone where it's like, I'm, in life and business, you
bow down to him.
I do not bow down to him. But you work to make things happen for that person because you are getting value from that, right? Correct. So what I told him, whatever time, whatever day, you let me know, and we'll do it. Yeah. So.
Correct. All right. Anything else, boys, that we want to talk about today? 2-hour stream, banger, as always. Banger. Oh, Craig.
Right.
You're that busy, mate. You're that busy.
My bad.
No. I think we covered a good amount. Next time I'll come out with more energy, just kind of feel a little sick, but it's been fun. I think the markets are going to do the market things. I'm net bullish, even if we have some pullbacks here. I don't think with all the institutional money that we're going to just suddenly collapse out of nowhere.
Market is green today.
Yeah, and it looks like, hopefully Trump figures some shit out. I am just kind of getting really sick of the repetitiveness of we have really, really great week and then war shit, different tariff shit. Like I know people are like, oh dude, they're doing it on purpose. They're trying to shake people out. I don't know. I don't think so. I think Trump's just fucking stupid. Like he just does things without like a care of the market, right? So I don't think it's an intentional thing where they're trying to manipulate it. I just think that they're not worried about us at the moment. They've got their own shit. So hopefully we can get some weeks of non-political interference. Hopefully the rate cut stuff goes smooth. Hopefully, people selling off because it's priced in is the bottom because people are trying to price it in themselves. Yeah. I'm gonna be optimistic.
I like it, Greg.
I'm very bullish, guys.
Yeah,
we're in a macro bull market, so I don't think it matters what Trump does. I think there'll be a few bumps in between, but long story short, we're going up, and we're going to have an all-time high Q4, Q1.
Send it September.
Yeah, September approximately. But Abstract's going to go way higher. I'm going to be filthy rich and retire. So that's my plan. So
I mean, boys, when you zoom out and look at this chart, like, how can you fade this?
Like it's I'm gonna buy some
Oversold.
Bitcoin today.
Overbought.
Buy some Bitcoin, and I think that's pretty good. Any day you get to buy Bitcoin on a 20% pullback
Yeah, true.
is pretty good. So as much as it feels pretty shitty, and it's hard to get euphoric at the moment, it is the time to get to work.
Again, Greeny has it going on right now, but some of the people I know who are the wealthiest are people who have had daily Bitcoin buys on for the last 10 years.
Definitely, yeah.
You know,
can see that.
So buying on a 20% pullback, then buying if tomorrow pulls back again. Okay, well then you're getting good prices. Fuck it.
No, optimistically bullish.
Optimistically cautious. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Very much appreciate it. Great show today. Thanks, chat, for tuning in. All right, Craig, do you want to lead us with the outro, mate?
Yes, I shall. All right. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Thanks again to OKX Australia, I should say, for supporting our stream. If you are looking for someone to spot trade, if you're new or old guys, they are the one for you. We've got the links down in the description. If you've got any questions, fire them to Greeny or myself. And once again, thanks to our viewers for tuning in. Eli's viewers, Greeny's viewers, my viewers, GTG's viewers, every viewer. Thanks for tuning into our show. We will be back tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to go buy some Bitcoin, lads. So I'm going to go and do that. I've got some cash to spend, so I'm going to jump in the car and go and do that. And I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to get some OTC Bitcoin, and I'll see you guys.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, baby. I'm going to help someone get out of a position. So this is what we do in the big time.
Nice. Last couple plugs. We'll be giving away $500 of God token tomorrow live on the show. So make sure you tune in and make sure you follow us on Twitter. You must be following us on Twitter. If you do not follow us on Twitter, you will not qualify for that cash giveaway. Next week, we'll be giving away cash as well with a different opportunity. Super excited about that one as well. And just a reminder, as Craig said, with OKX, you get $75 for free when you sign up. And they also have another little token, WCT, which is Wallet Connect. I'm pretty sure you get if you trade over $1,000 of volume. And there will be one coming up soon again for a larger token. So super stoked about that as well. So yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks Eli for jumping on. Very much appreciated. And yeah, let's see if we bounce today. Market's up 13. Yeah, what 113.
Oh, it's the morning for you guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Have a lovely Tuesday night or a lovely Wednesday day. See you,
Thanks, Eli.
all
Thanks,
tomorrow.
man.
See you guys.